What's up, people, and welcome back to once again another stream here on the channel. So thank you so much for tuning in here, everyone. Thank you so much. Sorry for me touching my microphone already, but thank you so much for tuning into the stream. It's of course a very amazing day once again, and let me check right away. Let's go right away into the charts, because right now what we are seeing with the Bitcoin price is very interesting, guys. Of course, yesterday we showed a lot of volatility here to the upside. It was not the best green candle, but still, we increased the valuation, and at the end of the day, that is the thing that we would like to see. But once we were closing that for the daily candle, you can see we still got a rejection from the 20-day moving average. And right now we are fighting against that level once again. And you can see in the past, the 20-day moving average is holding up as very good support, but also providing a lot of resistance, just like you were doing here at the 31st of let me see, January. It is just a very critical resistance level. And the funny part about this one here is that this was also on a Sunday over here. So here on the Sunday, you were trying to break through the 20-day moving average. On the Saturday first, but you got rejected. The Sunday was a red day. And then on the Tuesday, you were breaking through it. So maybe we're going to see something similar. Maybe we will be consolidating under this level for 2 days or so. And then in the end of the, and then on Monday or on Tuesday, we're just going to blast for the upside, or we're even going to see it already today. But it really depends on how the daily candle will close here. Because yesterday, of course, we wicked above it, but not close above it. But what we want to be seeing here is, of course, a close above this level. And I see right away, everyone is tuning in here. Everyone is saying, "Hey, Rover, what's up? What is up, guys? Let me know. Good morning. Thank you for everyone who is right now tuning in here. Do you think the CME gap on Monday will be holding back Bitcoin?" And that is, of course, a very interesting scenario that we can be looking at, because yes, there is a possibility that it is going to hold us back, or there's a possibility that these whales are maybe playing games with us, and they want to see the CME gap getting created, because then people are not willing to buy, and they push the price higher, and you will be only buying high, you know. So there is a possibility that they're going to play some games with us. Also in the immediate short term, I was first seeing if I disable the 20-day moving average and I flip it to the 15-minute, I could see that we were first forming some kind of a head and shoulders, but already invalidating it, because we are right now pushing up once again. Of course, very lovely to see, but you can see we're maybe forming here a shoulder and head, and then another shoulder, and then it's very likely to see this move to the downside getting created. But we did not move to the downside. We were just not showing the significance that we do want to be breaking down. And guys, a thing that we were discussing yesterday as well here on the channel was this critical resistance target. So you have this resistance target over here, the 4-hourly close of the previous high, and I was watching this level, and yesterday I saw this huge increasement of price, of course, coming in, but then we got a massive rejection from this candle, and yeah, you just saw that the Bitcoin price was pushing a little bit lower. So this level seems to be way too strong for the moment, but we are getting rid of the sell orders right now, so that's of course very lovely to see. But yeah, it is looking very very interesting, guys. This is looking very interesting, and yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we are going to do here for Bitcoin. And also a thing that you can be looking at is here, the previous stop of this one over here. You can see this will be probably holding up as support, just like it is coming together with the support line over here. And right now you also have multiple touches of this level. It is providing very good support, and it is also, for now on, at least holding us up and pushes us a little bit more to the upside. So, what is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in right now. For everyone who is right now tuning in here, make sure to get comfortable, because we're just starting off the stream, of course. Also, make sure to right away smash up the likes if you're just tuning in. It will be, of course, very amazing. Bitcoins goes swinging. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do. We got to buy, but it's on the Sunday. Yeah, that's the reason why I feel a little bit skeptical about it. Do want to be playing it cautious. And guys, I was saying this already for a long period of time, but I cannot wait for the month of April. But I already cannot wait on Monday, because Monday, of course, we're finally having normal days. I think on the Monday, we really can continue the trend to the upside. And as well, we're just a few days away from the month of April. So the monthly candle will be closing, of course. Always these monthly closes, guys. I think this is still a pretty good monthly close. Not a big wick on the top side. And we can just move more to the upside. Guys, I feel very excited once looking to this. So what I'm saying is Bitcoin is going to 70k in April. I think we can even surpass this, the 70k. And I don't want to be a moon boy, but I think we can go up very quickly, of course. I think we can go up very quickly, even though you can see the RSI is cooled off pretty significantly on the daily. We're probably going to create, I think we can take out previous high in the RSI. So then we will be invalidating these bearish divergence. But it is going to be very interesting what we are going to do with the divergence that we are going to create, because probably on the higher time frames, we're still going to create a massive bearish divergence. On the weekly, it's imminent to create bearish divergence. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do here. I'm getting very excited, guys. And let me look as well here in the lower time frames for Bitcoin. Maybe we are seeing something very interesting. Never panic sell, and that is once again the reason why we were only accumulating more as well here. In the training challenge, guys, we're still doing good here, P5 right now. And also a thing, I just came across about this one. They are already talking about the 4th stimulus checks, guys. What the F is America doing here right now? Already over 60 lawmakers are right now supporting another stimulus check, and oh man, so they are saying that they can provide $2,800 in the next stimulus checks, guys. This is insane, right? This is insane. They are literally killing their economic system, and this is not confirmed yet. These are just speculations, and as well, they are just the lawmakers only agree with it right now, but it hasn't been approved yet. But they are already talking about it, and this can mean that we're going to see another stimulus check, and they were saying that they can provide a stimulus check up towards $2,800. So. This is literally so insane that we are right now already having this news here, and also looking to the shorts that are active. There are a lot of shorts active at the moment here, approximately 1,200 Bitcoin in shorts active. So yeah, there's a possibility that we're going to see a short squeeze anytime soon, guys, especially on Monday or so. But the 4th steamy on the way, yeah, guys, that is so insane. That is so insane. People are already saying that the 0.5 Ethereum giveaway. Yeah, we are going to do a 0.5 giveaway, a 0.5 Ethereum giveaway. Maybe we are going to do the 0.5 giveaway once we're reaching the 30k subscribers. But of course, you can see it already. We are very close with reaching the 30k subscribers, guys. The deflation in the economics is putting their money to Bitcoin. I mean, guys, if we are really going to see another stimmy coming in here, probably it will be coming in the next 3 months or so, this will be only more and more fuel providing for Bitcoin. This is the only thing that is providing more fuel for Bitcoin. This can definitely push the price literally to the moon, because people are not selling. People will be not selling the Bitcoin if they're seeing this as well. I mean, also the big companies are seeing this. Big companies are seeing this, and they are getting scared, and they are putting their money where they can have security and just know for sure that their money is safe, and that is the reason why they are going to buy it into Bitcoin. So Resco also donated, and you were saying, tell me the truth, will you be the first in line for the DeLorean NFT from the VV app on April 8th? Could you check the weekly AMI? Thank you for introducing VV to me. Yeah, definitely. I mean, yesterday, 2 days ago, we had also a pretty cool drop. Usually I'm trying to buy them. So yeah, of course, let me check AMI for you. Do we have... Oh, I don't have AMI. I have only AMI compared to Wrapped Ether, so of course I don't really like that. And AMI just is about... If I go to the economy side... let me go to economy real quickly on CoinMarketCap. But if I go to their site, you can see it is getting launched on Uniswap in approximately 3 days and 12 hours, guys. So of course, it's very interesting what you're having here. You can buy NFTs, and you can make very good profits on these. So definitely a thing that you can be doing here, and it's very hard to check the AMI chart real quickly. Can you check the weekly on AMI? I mean, I don't have AMI on TradingView because it is just not unloaded on TradingView. Yeah, you can see it over here as well. It's not loaded on TradingView yet, so it's pretty unfortunate that I cannot see it. But I know AMI is holding up pretty good, and it's also increasing pretty quickly in valuation. What I can do is here is real quickly check this one out here. Because yeah, if I look to the AMI chart, I do think it is likely to push higher, and probably once it is getting launched on Uniswap, you can probably spike very quickly to the upside, and I'm looking forward to it. How much are they giving out? There's nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed, and I just was reading this, but there's also another article, and they are saying that they want to put out $2,800, but I mean, these are just speculations, and of course it's not confirmed yet. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but I know almost for sure that they're going to do it. And yeah, of course, this will probably be pretty insane because they want to give even more money. And if you cannot see the Federal Reserve right now, you cannot see how much money they are printing. You cannot see the M1 money stock anymore because they just won't provide the information anymore because they're printing such insane amounts of money, guys. And it is literally very scary. But at the same time, also providing you very good opportunities to secure your wealth in Bitcoin right now, guys. Oh, nice. You like Ami? Yes, sure. Sure, I like Ami. And also, I heard that they are cooperating with some big names. That's just making me feel very exciting about the project. I just like limited edition stuff, and Ami is of course providing that. As predicted, guys, as predicted, yeah. Totally as predicted, guys. It's absolutely insane, of course. And if you look to the parallel channel, guys, still in play. Yeah, you can really... we were seeing the fake out over here. But yeah, this one is still in play. And we were discussing this yesterday as well on the stream. Let me know if you were here yesterday as well. But we were discussing this part of here, where you were finding support, where you were finding resistance, where you here also was finding support, resistance. But yeah, once you're touching this middle line of the parallel channel, you can see that we each and every time were finding support. So this level provided very, very good support on the 4-hour. You were dipping below it, but then immediately had lift off to the upside and was just providing very good support, guys. So yeah, we were discussing this yesterday as well. So if you open the trade, you're of course doing a very good job here. And as you can see already, if I just purely look to the trading competition, guys, we are moving up in the playing field here. We are heading for P1. Of course, we're not going to stop at any time soon here. This CR is live, of course, 113%. I am willing to push this one to 500% because otherwise I'm not happy. 500% would definitely be a target for me to push the team a little bit higher. And if you, of course, also have a good trade, if you're doing a good job here, make sure sometimes if you're good, if you're very high in profit, make sure to just stay calm with your account. And also, by the way, if you want to win something, you have to read the rules book quickly. If you don't know it already, but you have to be in the top 10 to gain, let's say, 30% of the prize pool. But if you're outside of the top 10, you will be dividing another 30%. So you will be getting less if you're not in the top 10 of your team. But yeah, I mean, if you're already in the team and you're not making good gains, you're already doing good here. But guys, the higher the team is getting, the more rewards we are getting. So I am definitely focused to get this #1 here. I'm getting also very exciting, and probably also because a lot of people are in the team here. And that's also the reason why I do feel motivated, and I always see a lot of competition, and I don't want to lose. I always want to go for the #1 spot. Why should you go for #2? You're here to become #1. So, of course, still 9 days away from the end of the competition stage. So I will be looking to, of course, accumulate some new trades here. Is Bitcoin going to dip more? I don't think it's likely to see Bitcoin dipping more. I don't think it's likely to see Bitcoin dipping more. A possibility what we're probably going to see today, in my opinion, what we're going to see today with Bitcoin is very, very boring. In my opinion, it's not looking like we're doing anything here for the past hours. But I would certainly love to see Bitcoin just doing nothing, just trading between these ranges till we are reaching the 29th of March, because then we are closing, of course, the month. I mean, then we are opening the Monday. And we can really push higher because then the CME is also open. So, I mean, I like to push. I more like to push on the Mondays or just not in the weekends. I just don't like pumps in the weekends. Of course, we're already moving up quite a bit. But once we're dropping on the Monday, if we're really going to see a drop, I will be only adding more to my position because in the end of the day, if we're dropping here, guys, if we're filling the gap, for instance, I will be opening only a bigger and bigger position. Let's go, guys. Can I join the competition? No, you can't join the competition anymore. You cannot join the competition anymore. The reason why is because it already closed, unfortunately. Unfortunately, the competition is already closed. And the sign-up phase was before here. Right now, you can only do the trading anymore. And the competition to join it is already closed. So that's pretty unfortunate, of course. But what you can do here, because we will be looking for more trades. And I will be also, if I'm seeing some possibilities here to open a trade live in the stream, I will definitely give it because I want to help out the team, and we will be trading on Femex. And if you want to join these trades as well, you can still sign up with Femex to just purely only trade, but only you are not eligible to win in the competition anymore. Should I long now Bitcoin or wait for the dip? And this is, let me see, Samita, you're asking if you should long right now. And in my opinion, you should be very careful with your long position that you're willing to open right now. And the reason why I'm saying this is because we're literally in indecision. And if you're opening a long position over here, what technicals are you opening it? You're probably only opening it to hope that it will be going up, or hope that you will be or you will be hoping that it will be just going down. So please, you're just coin flipping if you're opening a trade right here. Wait for some technicals confirmations. I should not rush into anything here. I should not rush into anything. And it is looking like that we're clearly reversing. So I look forward to it. And let's see what we are heading towards. So can you look at some small market cap gems? I've been interested recently. ESS and OPCT. So yeah, of course, Ian, thank you for your support of the nation. And let me check ESS for you. This is indeed a 28 million market cap gem here. I don't know exactly what the fundamentals is, because the fundamentals are sometimes very important for market cap gems, for low market cap gems. Because sometimes they just have very good fundamentals, but they were not recognized yet, and or they have a special program that you can be seeing why it has a huge potential. But yeah, I don't know the started project, but it seems pretty low market cap indeed. So it can be really providing you as a gem. So for the last 7 days, you were seeing a very nice increasement in price. It was already for the past day. It was increasing with 100%. And if you look to the past 7 days, of course, this is also looking very strong. It's increasing pretty significantly to the upside. So yeah. This one is looking like it's already pumping to the upside. And let me check OPCT here. OPCT is also only 21 million market cap. And guys, this is a thing that you can be doing here. This is a thing that you can be doing here because the moon market, we are right now entering phase 2 in the bull market, guys. And what phase 2 is meaning, in my opinion, we're going to see huge volatility as well for Bitcoin and as well for small altcoins. I think the small altcoin gains can be here laying around the corner. And look at this coin. It is absolutely mooning right now. Already 2.6x here in just a matter of 2 days here. So this coin is already pumping quite significantly. I should want to be careful because I mean, yeah, you can still make a lot of gains here because it's only 21 million. But there are so many potential small gems that you're right now having here. I do truly like Shift Network as well here. Shift Network is just recently got launched, and I still think you have very good potential to buy it relatively cheap here. Because this is yeah, providing you a very good opportunity here. Polka Markets is also providing you a very good cheap buy here, $2.27. I mean, I saw this one exactly at the top, and I am willing to buy back right now, to be honest, because I really like the project, and I do think it's right now a little bit undervalued, and it can be increasing so significantly once again to the upside. So I cannot wait, literally. I'm looking forward to it. What are we going to do? Let me check it. So people are saying, can you check Bitcoin? Of course, can you check Ethereum? I mean, so let me check Ethereum real quickly, guys. And yeah, Ian, thank you for your support of the nation. But it seems cool. The project seems cool. Yeah, let's see if we're also going to make some good gains, because I do think, I mean, the fundamentals are important, but I think with the altcoin season that we're going to have, I think that a lot of altcoins will just be blasting off to the upside without having very good technicals. So let's see what it is going to do here, because I think the coming 3 months are going to be very exciting, and I think you are going to love the coming 3 months as well here on the channel, because it will be very exciting. The Bitcoin price will be moving pretty significantly. The altcoin prices will also move very significantly, in my opinion, and that is also the reason why we were saying to you guys, accumulate right now, buy more right now. And also, if you look to Ethereum, I mean, if you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. But what are you seeing with Ethereum? You're seeing just a higher low getting printed, guys. You're just seeing a higher low getting printed, and this is just in general looking still particularly good here. Nothing all too bad to worry about, in my opinion. So let's see what Ethereum is going to do. But it is not. I'm not saying that this is looking bad, guys. And also, I see we're right now having already 700 viewers here. So make sure, if you're just tuning into the stream, make sure to also smash up that likes. It's only taking a few seconds of your time. And we just started off the stream 20 minutes ago. So let's see for how long we're going to continue the stream today. I don't think there will be the longest stream today, but of course I will be trying to do my best to make a long stream for you guys. And of course also, really depending what the market is going to do. But if you look to Ethereum, yesterday we were discussing this break of this resistance line getting, being very bullish for Ethereum, and also finding support at this gray box. Perfectly touching this level, of course. Previously also we're finding support on this level. Here you got stopped out here. So this level is just showing a lot of significance. It's basically showing a lot of significance, but right now we are once again setting ourselves up to one of the strongest resistance levels, support levels, like over here, providing a lot of support. So yeah, once the level is holding up as such a strong support level, it will be also very hard to break through. So I think Ethereum is going to struggle breaking through this level. But yeah, if we're really going to break through this level once again, yeah, I will be flipping bullish, extremely bullish on Ethereum once again. So let's see what we're going to do, of course. But yeah, it really depends also on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is just going to show a lot of strength, Ethereum will be just following. Hey guys, we just opened a new 4-hourly candle. We just opened a new 4-hourly candle for the price action of Bitcoin. So that is, of course, very amazing, guys. New 4-hourly, new opportunities in the market as well. So let's see what we're going to have here. Let's see what we are going to have for the price action of Bitcoin, because opening a new 4-hourly candle is always making me feel very exciting. Feta is looking good. So let me check. Let me check real quickly in Feta for a second. So Gigi is saying, I'm kind of new to this stuff, so I'm learning. So that is a beautiful thing to know here. And if you want to learn a little bit more, if you want to invest a little bit more time in yourself, you can maybe also join the Discord, because in the Discord there are a lot of truly valuable people, a truly valuable community, and there you have a place to learn also and ask some questions to the other community members, because a lot of people here in the Discord are very good at crypto trading, or are very good. They have a lot of knowledge, so definitely worth doing so, in my opinion. So yeah, what are we having with Feta? Feta is, of course, if you look to this scenario of the 4-hour, I mean, I will be flipping this back to the 1 hour. I just completely redraw this. So if you look to Feta on the 1 hour, you can see that we were forming a clear symmetrical triangle here on Feta, and we are right now breaking out to the upside. So you have 3 touch points on the lower sides, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points on the top side. So this is a clear symmetrical triangle here. The more touch points you are having, the more significance the triangle is going to show you as well. So what you are having over here, if you measure the price target, you can see the price target for Feta, because we're breaking to the upside, can be around the $16.42 here. So this is, of course, very exciting to see here. This is making me feel very exciting. But once again, I want to raise awareness, because it is very easy to create a bearish divergence here, because the 4-hour was pretty overextended, and we cooled off also pretty significantly. So if we're really going to push higher, we also have to take out the previous high in the RSI. So I don't think it's very likely to see that, but let's see what Feta can do here. And of course, I love to see Feta gain a little bit more here, but I don't think it's likely to see, even though the price target is sitting around the $16. Let's see what Feta is going to do here. Is it going to show more volatile? I certainly love to see it. Also, the volume, it was decreasing the volume, and right now we are spiking in the volume. So, of course, increasing volume is very important once seeing a breakout. So that is a confirmation that I love to see. So Nahem is saying, give us a nice trading challenge trade, and we will be #1 in no time on the FEMEX competition. We need to work together to win this competition. And Nahem, you are completely right. But yeah, I cannot say that you are not correct here. Of course, I want to see a good opportunity here. I want to see, of course, everyone gain all together. And once seeing a clear opportunity, this is, of course, a thing that we are doing live in the stream. We are seeing sometimes very good trade setups here live in the stream. And if you're already watching the channel for a long period of time, you know that we are always looking for trade possibilities here. But right now, yeah, the market is not really providing you a trade opportunity here. And especially trading on the Sundays is a little bit more risky. I have to say, trading on the Sundays is just a little bit more risky. So that is the reason why you can be looking, and you can be staying on the sidelines for a day. You can be staying on the sidelines for a day, and then you will be having a very good opportunity here. Because, yeah, yesterday we were watching this opportunity here pushing us to the upside. Of course, this was very exciting. Yesterday evening, yeah, this was yesterday evening, right? Yeah, I did an emergency video, guys. I went live straight away once seeing this. So yesterday we did 2 live streams. We were first trying to break through this downward sloping resistance line, what I will be drawing real quickly for you guys. We were first trying to break through this resistance line over here that we were creating. But since we were breaking through here, guys, we were showing a lot of follow through here. And we, of course, did an emergency live stream. And this was looking very exciting. So are we going to push up another time? And if we're going to push up another time, we want to be, of course, in a position, because in the end of the day, we want to gain from the market, what it is doing here. And I mean, yeah, the trades are just doing very well here. I'm loving to see this, and I will be showing you guys real quickly what I'm doing here with the trades. With this account, of course, right now in approximately 5k profit with this account, but I'm looking to add more to this position. I'm willing to add more to the position because I've got a very good entry. Look at this entry. This is absolutely an insane entry, of course, almost calling the exact bottom here. And if you want to trade as well, you can definitely sign up with Vemex. But guys, what I will be doing with this trade, because I want to give you guys my my thoughts about the trade, because I would just want to share more thoughts on the market with you guys, and also just more insights on how I approach trading. And how I approach this trade here is that I will be adding more to my position, because in the end of the day, I wanted to add, let's say, with more quantity. I only entered with 25%. So what I will be doing here, guys, what I will be doing here is maybe upping my leverage already anytime soon. But once seeing a drop-off, I will be looking for the next support target. And on the next support target, I will be entering more. And then I can be averaging in. Of course, the entry price will be going higher. But then I have a bigger position and can ride this one, of course, to new all-time highs. Because this trade entry is set up here to ride it to new all-time highs. And I, of course, certainly love this trade entry. And I mean, we have multiple entries on different accounts. Currently, I am in 3 trades on three different accounts. On this account, we're only 3k in profit, but still doing a good job. But this one is also almost nailing the bottom here. But I was planning to enter more to this position, because my strategy was basically entering, and if we're falling, I will be only adding more to my position and then averaging in, of course, on a very nice price. But that is, of course, not, that did not happen. So what I will be also doing for this trade here is exactly the same. If we're keep falling, I will be only adding more to my position to average in on a very nice price, and of course ride this to new all-time highs. So there are definitely lovely times ahead of us. So Chris Scherer is saying, I turned 0.4 Bitcoin into 1 Bitcoin. Man, thanks for all the TA. And Chris Scherer, that is one lovely thing to hear. I mean, it is always nice to hear that you are benefiting from your trades yourself, but once you're starting up a YouTube channel, once you're starting up a community because you want to help people, and that is the lovely thing what you can do in crypto here. You can gain altogether, right? You can make trades and you can just gain altogether, and that is the lovely thing that I am doing here on the channel. Of course, I'm loving to share my thoughts on the market. I'm loving to do this all together, and yeah, we are exactly doing what we should be doing here, and this is lovely to hear, Chris. This is absolutely lovely to hear. So 56.2k right now, but guys, Nehem, you're basically coming back to your request, Nehem. Yes, we will be looking for trades. We will be looking for trades because once doing, of course, trades together, we can push up our team position, of course, in the competition. And that is a thing that we would like to do here. Because in the end of the day, I was telling you guys, we are going to take this competition together. And I want to give you also some more insights about what we are going to do here. So really, once I'm adding more to my position, once seeing a clear opportunity, and that is the thing that you want to be doing here. Only entering on clear opportunities, because you can also go in the negative and you can push the team a little bit lower, and that is not a thing that we want to do here. We only want to gain in this market. So yeah, once seeing a good opportunity, I will be adding more to my position, and once doing so, of course, I will keep you guys up to date. So Brand Protocol TA, please Rover, yeah, JNO Gaming. Of course, I will be doing Band TA real quickly. So Band, of course, very excited what we are having here. I mean, it's maybe the better Oracle network that we are that is here at the moment, maybe. So what we were looking for, Band. First, we were looking at this let me set ascending triangle here. We were looking at an ascending triangle here for Band Protocol, but we were breaking to the downside, and right now we are re-entering this channel. So I will be removing this real quickly because it's not showing enough significance anymore. If I look to this one. But yeah, what you're basically having right now is, let me set up this parallel channel, because you're just consolidating. What we are seeing with this Band Protocol, right now, if I look to the chart, you can just see that we are consolidating between these ranges. We're trading between these ranges. We're holding up, and we're just bouncing from the lower side to the upside. So you're basically trading between 2 ranges. And the thing here, how you can trade this, because of course, you're in the end of the day, you want to be trading, and what you're seeing here, if you're touching the top side, you can be looking for a rejection. But if you're going to break to the upside and find the support on this previous resistance line, yeah, then you will be looking for new highs here. And that is really the thing that you want to be looking at. If you want to see Band Protocol creating some new highs, you first want to see this topward sloping resistance target getting broken, because that is the thing that is holding us back right now. And of course, that is not the only thing that's holding us back, because also we are forming a new downward sloping resistance line here, guys, and this is also almost going together here with the price action where we are currently trading at. So maybe you're going to just wick to the upside and just get rejected from this line. So let's see what we're going to do here for Band Protocol. More resistance coming together, and it seems like it's very easy to trade, because this support line, probably if we're going to dump, this support line will probably hold up very strong, and you can be looking for long positions after that once again. So let's see what Band Protocol is going to do, but it feels very exciting. Making me get up on Sundays, what a miracle. Raymond, it's very cool that you're tuning in once again. Very cool that you're tuning in, and same for me. I wake always very early. I wake always up in the very early hours. I just like to wake up early, because then you're just fresh. You can you have freedom for the whole day. You just have fun. Of course, if you're waking up early, you can also do a lot of things on the day. And I want to be just active. I'd like to have an active life. So what do you think of ADA right now? So let me check for ADA one for you, my friend. It's Thomas Wiltshire. Let me check ADA. Because we were witnessing ADA yesterday, and let me check this on the 1 hour, because we were forming some kind of a bull flag on ADA, and since breaking to the upside, yeah, we were showing some more volatility, but I don't really like the bull flag scenario, if I be really honest with you. And let me remove this one, because I will be removing that line. You can see this gray box of support was holding us up over here, was holding us back over here, was also holding us up over here, and right now we are almost fighting above it once again, and still I'm getting very frustrated once looking to the chart, because everything, my trading view is still a little bit glitched, but I just recently removed all my devices from trading view, so let's see what it is going to do here. I hope it certainly will be not wrecking me, of course. Thanks, mate, no problem, I will be checking ADA for you. So yeah, my scenario that I'm most likely am watching here right now for ADA is the ascending triangle that we can be forming for the price action, because the ascending triangle here is a very likely scenario that we can be playing out right now. It is also just a thing that I will be looking at, because it is also a bullish bias pattern, and besides that, it will be just taking a while for ADA. And because it will be taking a while for ADA, because if we're really going to see a breakout, maybe it's going to be half April. It can be really taking another 2 to 3 weeks here for ADA before really blasting off to the upside. And guys, by the way, we're just only 2 subscribers away from, oh, we already reached that. So I mean, on my screen was only 2 subscribers, but thank you so much for already reaching the 28.9k here. Truly lovely to see that you guys are once again subscribed to the channel. Are we going to reach the 29k today? That would be, of course, very amazing. But ADA, it can be taking a while before really seeing a massive breakout, because there will be volatility returning into the price section of ADA. And once we are breaking the stop side of this resistance target, guys, this will be extremely bullish for ADA, because once we are seeing this break on the top side, we can definitely push towards, and don't be shocked right now, don't be shocked, we can really push towards the $2, and that will be our take profit area for this short-term trade. And this is a trade of approximately 40%, guys. So if you're right now in an 88 position, and of course you can be riding this as well to the $2, I think the $2 is in play here for the month of April as well here. And I'm not only saying this for ADA, there are more coins. There are more coins that are right now looking extremely bullish, and ADA is one of them. But only, please, don't be here to make some quick coin flips. Don't be here to make some quick games. You want to hold it, because it can be taking another 2 weeks, just like I told you. It can be only maybe even a month. It can be taking a month if we're really coming to the apex. It can be maybe at the start of May that we're going to see a breakout. So once seeing a breakout, of course, this will be huge volatility in the price section of ADA, but I'm getting ready, guys. I'm accumulating already enough ADA, and $2, I'm getting ready, guys. I'm just getting ready, but let's see what we are going to do, of course. But I think it will be taking a while here, and it's also very important that this coin ADA is going up very quickly. It's going up very quickly, but what I do want to be seeing here right now is, of course, consolidation for a long period of time before seeing a breakup, because otherwise it is pumping too fast. And if it's pumping too fast, yeah, you know, a coin can also reverse very quickly to the downside once again. And that is, of course, another thing that we like to see. We want to see these coins, of course, benefit from the situation, and, of course, just stay higher for a longer period of time. So, let's see. Let's see what we're going to have. Hey, Crypto Rover, it looks like Crypto.com is consolidating. What are your thoughts? So, let me check Crypto.com for you. It is looking like it's consolidating. So, always once consolidating, you're seeing probably that you're going to have a breakout anytime soon. So, what you are having here, in my opinion, what you are having right now, and I will be flipping this to normal candles. You can see on the 1 hour, you are farming an upward sloping support line and a downward sloping resistance line. So this can be quite interesting. This can be quite interesting, guys, for the crypto.com price action. So as you already know, if you're watching here for a long period of time on the channel, I am already hugely exposed to crypto.com. I'm also staking crypto.com. And guys, soon on the channel, this coming week, I can promise you, I will be making a video because I've been talking a lot about this video. I will be making a video about my exit strategy in Bitcoin. I will be making a video special about exit strategies and also how I will be still making good gains in the bear market, guys, because that is very important, because in the end of the day here, we are here to make good profits. And also in the bear market here, I am not going to sit still here. I'm going to make good profits. I have very good plans already written down. So I already made a video. Going to probably release it here in the coming week, guys. So if you're already looking forward to it, if you want me to release this video as soon as possible, let me know in the chat real quickly. But I want to edit it still. I want to make a good video, of course. But it will be very exciting. I think that video will be very important to watch as well. But of course, if you're just subscribed to the channel, you will be kept up to date, because exit strategies are very important. Because, yeah, you can make very good gains. You can be making very good gains. But are you willing to see? Are you willing to see these gains just flush away? Are you willing to see your million being made and also after that your million going away? Guys, you know what I want to see here, and the reason why I'm sharing this, because I want to see in the Discord server, if I go to the Discord server in 6 months, I want to see pictures of Lambos. I don't want to see pictures of people that are bleeding in the red. I want to see pictures of Lambos of everyone. That is the reason why I will be making this video. And this video that I made is purely coming out of my heart. It's purely coming out of my heart just to secure your profits, guys. Because I don't want you to guys get. I don't want you guys to get wrecked. And I'm also not just getting rid of all my bitcoins. Most amount of bitcoins I'm still going to hold. But taking profits is never bad. Securing some profits into the bag, and also what I will be doing with these profits will be very important. But man, like I told you before, I want to see all pictures of Lambos in the Discord server, guys. I don't want to be seeing all pictures of red and all pictures. I don't want to see 2017 all over again. I don't want that. I don't want that. Come on. I don't want that. So yeah, I mean, I'm already looking forward to to the futures. And guys, also a thing that was very exciting. What I was seeing lately, I was seeing something very interesting story. I was just talking around with someone, and I was talking about crypto, and then he walked to me and he said, "Dude, I bought this Mercedes with Ethereum." And that was truly funny. That was truly funny. And I mean, people, that is the reason also why I'm getting a little bit scared. A lot of people are talking about crypto. And once everyone is talking about it, you want to be careful. So exit strategy will be very important. Looking forward to it, of course. And I mean, we will be mooning. It's not over yet, guys. I'm not saying the bull market is over yet. But let's say it will be probably taking another 3 to 4 months before really topping out of our Bitcoin. But you already want to think about your exit strategy, in my opinion. So what we are having with crypto.com here is a symmetrical triangle. Guys, sorry for me about talking so long here. You guys want to see the price charts, of course. Let me know if you like these stories, because it's very important, of course. The forced stimmy will never happen. I do think it will be happening, but it can be taking maybe, let's say, another 4 months or so. But you can see $21 here is the target if we are going to break out to the upside. And if we're going to break to the downside, then probably the supportive target over here, the supportive target to the downside will be our target that we will be looking to accumulate some more. Yeah, the supportive line over here, probably you're going to create a wick if you're heading towards this level. But that level will be your target to accumulate some more. But yeah. Crypto.com forming a symmetrical triangle in the immediate short term. Let's see what we can do here. It's literally very funny. Like, yeah, I like your stories. I love it. I mean, I can't talk stories all day long, guys. But I mean, it was just very funny that you're at South. You're talking with someone. I just randomly met someone, and I was talking about crypto. And then this guy he hears me talking about crypto, and he walks to me. And he has his meters over there, and he says, "Dude, I bought this one with Ethereum." And I thought, "Oh, what the f? What the f?" I was laughing so hard. I thought, "This is so weird." I thought, "This is so weird that guy was truly very lovely." So, also, yeah, it's just very funny. It's just very funny. And do you get stimmy? I'm not living in the USA, so I don't get stimmies. And of course, everyone in the USA gets stimmies. So someone is saying, do you recommend investing in Dogecoin? And this is a very interesting one, because I am invested in Dogecoin. I'm not. I mean, I don't see it as an investment, but I am into Dogecoin. I am into Dogecoin, and the reason why is only because what if? What if Dogecoin is going to become your key to go to the moon, maybe, with Elon? I mean, I'm only holding the Dogecoin because crypto is going to be huge. Crypto is going to be huge. I believe it. Bitcoin is going to be huge, and Dogecoin will be just the coin of the people. It will be more a coin of fun purposes, but I think a lot of people will be holding it because it is funny, right? You want to have Dogecoin just for meme purposes. You want to have it, and maybe one day, you don't know, maybe one day you can buy a Tesla with Dogecoin, because Elon, he can do anything he wants. Maybe one day you can buy your Tesla with Dogecoin. I mean, I'm holding only Dogecoin as a coin flip. It has zero fundamental worth for me, but I'm holding it as a coin flip, and that is also the only reason. If you're willing to hold Dogecoin, I should hold it. I'm going to hold it for 10 years, 50 years. I mean, I'm have it in my bag. I'm just not going to look at it. I see it as money that I already lost. It is like I'm going to the casino and just set 500 euros on red and just lose all the money. Even though I don't go to casinos, because casinos is absolutely wrecking you, and you don't want to do it because you're always you're not in a favor. The house is always in a favor. So yeah, I mean, Dogecoin is just purely a coin flip. So IGN Origin Protocol, please. So of course, let me check it. Yeah, nice dice roll. Yeah, it's completely a dice roll. That Dogecoin is completely a dice roll. You're completely taking a big gamble, and I mean, I'm just holding it for fun purposes. I mean, I just want to hold it because what if, you know, what if? What if it's going to become mainstream? What if everyone's going to hold Dogecoin? But yeah, like I told you, it has zero fundamental worth for me. But probably if you're buying into Dogecoin as well, you should literally think the same, because if you're not doing it, I don't know what you are planning with your Dogecoin. So let me see. Don't get wrecked. No, that's not the strategy. Dogecoin is like a dollar. It's a constant an asset, and America loves depreciating the currency. So that's why I will probably crush it. So I mean, you don't want to buy Dogecoin to make money or so. You want to hold Dogecoin because you want to be a part of the community, right? That is how I watch it. Elon holds it, so we hold it. That's completely true. We love Elon, guys. We love Elon on the channel, of course. But yeah, what are you having with Origin Protocol? Let me quickly check it here, because there are, of course, some very important levels that you can be looking at. Let me set up a Fibonacci. And I will be drawing it from... Let me set up a bigger picture. Sorry for me being so slow. Sorry for me being so slow. Let me check it. Are we going to show some significance? Not a lot of significance. So yeah, what you are having with this coin, it's pretty interesting what we are having here, because if you look to this previous resistance target over here, it was holding us up with pretty strong support, even though that we were topping out of here. So we were moving up here, getting rejected. But since breaking through, we were finding support on this level. But the more times you're testing a support, the more likely it will be that you're going to break down. So you were seeing a breakdown, and then you were seeing the previous support flipping into resistance, then here once again, but right now you're breaking through it once again. So then you're meeting the previous resistance target on the top side. So this is basically what you're having here. You're finding a resistance once again at the top side, and this is of course a level that you do want to be breaking here, because if you're not breaking through the top side, you basically cannot move further. So it is looking like that we are having two major resistance / support targets. So if we're going to take out this level, we're doing the exact same structure. If we're going to see another test coming in, another boost to the upside, and then support. So yeah, let's see where we're going to do the same. So blast through this level, and then test it as support, and then move further. So yeah, let's see. But yeah, the $1.30 very strong resistance, but your major support target will be of course around the $1. Yeah, 97 cents approximately. I have $1,000 in Doge. That's cool. It really doesn't depend on how much dollars you have in Doge. I mean, only if you have, like, let's say you have a €1,000 $1,000. Let's say you have a $1,000 Dogecoin you have a $1,000 portfolio. Only have, let's say, $50 in Doge. So I'm not saying that you have to hold a lot. I mean, that's even a lot, $50 for $1,000 dollar portfolio. I'm sorry. I should only. I mean, I'm on less than 1% holding in Doge, so it's not a lot. But I just hold it for fun purposes. I'm just holding it for fun purposes. Crypto.com is blasting off. Is it? Oh, it's not blasting off yet. So yeah, we are still on this Because people are saying right now, crypto.com with rocket ships. I mean, crypto.com will be blasting off. It will be a matter of time, and especially once Bitcoin is going to continue the trend to the upside. I think altcoins will be following Bitcoin, of course. And an altcoin that will be following is, of course, also crypto.com, guys. But yeah, right now watching with 900 people. Thank you for everyone who is tuning in right now to the stream. Sorry. Very amazing. Are we going to reach the 29K today? And also make sure to right away smash up the likes, guys. That would be, of course, very amazing. That would be, of course, very amazing if you can right now smash up the likes here. We are right now almost having 1,000 viewers already. But yeah, right now sitting around 258 likes, guys. It's only taking a few seconds if you're willing to like the video. And would be, of course, very lovely. People are saying Bitcoin trend ends. No, we are just starting the uptrend, bro. We just broke through this level, consolidating. It's weekend. I love to see consolidation in weekends. I don't want to see a very crazy spikes of price action. You can also see the volume decreasing pretty significantly. So is this an indication? Is this an indication, guys, that we are going to see massive volatility? Let me know real quickly, because I mean, yeah, I can make a triangle. You can always make a triangle here. If I flip to the, if I remove everything here, if I look to the 50-minute. And if I look to the 50-minute and you see that we are forming a downward sloping resistance line here, and even if I draw it a little bit more like this, you can see I don't really like it, of course. It's not the most beautiful one, but yeah, you can see that we are forming an upward sloping support line, and that we are also yeah, coming close to the apex of this one. So there's a possibility that we're going to see a breakout. And if you look to the volume, yeah, we are decreasing pretty significantly in volume. So is this a sign that we are in a pattern, or is this just a sign that we are in a weekend? I do think it's more likely that we are just in a weekend. So please be careful. Be careful with trading Bitcoin. On the weekends, we have to wait a little bit longer till seeing more confirmations. So then we are getting a super chat from Mark McConaughey. Sorry, just Mark. I was just saying Mark. So Mark, thank you so much for your super chat. And you're saying thoughts on Civic. So yeah, what do I think about Civic? I think it is a very interesting one. I think it's a very interesting one, and the reason why is because, first of all, the Fibonacci is showing a lot of significance. You can see the top side, rejections. Top side here, also rejection, but the lower side holding up pretty significantly. And since breaking that level, we were holding on the previous line. So this one, the Fibonacci chart in this chart, is just providing a lot of information and also a lot of significance. So yeah, of course, definitely lovely to see the Fibonacci playing out so strong. Can you see also the supportive target over here? You're just finding huge amounts of supports on this level. And it was very likely, if you're buying each and every time around this level, you're just doing, in general, a very good job. So what I expect right now in the immediate short term, I still expect that we can see a move to the upside getting created. And otherwise, if we're not, we're just going to form an head and shoulders. Because here you form the shoulder, here you form the head, and right now another shoulder. So that's, of course, definitely a possibility that you can be looking at. And if you set up an... I'm losing my voice, it's pretty annoying. But you can see, if you look at the head and shoulder scenario, you can also draw it over here if you want to, of course. But then you can be looking for a certain head and shoulders scenario. I mean, it's not the most beautiful one, but you have to keep an eye out on it. So let's see what we're going to do here. Are we going to meet the top side? Are we going to find the resistance once again? Or are we finally going to smash through it? Because if we're going to smash through it, this will be, of course, very amazing. If we're closing the 4-hourly candle above this line, then have to retest. This will be definitely your very, very, very good accumulation level for Civic. So do want to be seeing the break of this $3, sorry, $53. And then we can be definitely looking for new highs for Civic. So I'm getting very excited. Look to the chart. I am getting very excited once looking to the chart, and probably you as well. Let me check it. You probably get as well very exciting. But guys, let me check on some indicators. Let me check on some indicators. Let me see what the EMA is right now doing on the 4-hour. Because the EMA is shifting bullish once again, guys. You can see the EMA, of course, almost flipping into the green once again. We were having this bearish crossover already over here, and since yesterday we were breaking through it. And of course, if you're above it, you're going to flip the EMA ribbon once again to yeah, the bullish scenario. You're going to flip this. This one is going to cross to the upside, and then it will be flipping green once again. And that is, of course, very good for the price action, because then the indicators will be flipping green as well. And yeah, also if you look to the 50 and 200-day moving average, you can still see that they are holding pretty good up. And also breaking through the 50-day moving average, because the 50-day moving average providing us support, providing us resistance. This is, of course, definitely a very good thing to see that we are finally above this line once again. And yeah, really, if we're going to go lower, we only will be finding more support on our previous resistance targets, guys. we will be only finding more support on our previous resistance target. So then we're getting a super chat here from Steph. So thank you so much for your donation. And let me check it real quickly. And Steph, you're saying, hey, I'm still in the monster long from yesterday for ADA. Thoughts on the TA right now. So let me go to the ADA chart real quickly. So thank you for your donation. And let me check it. And you're also saying, seems to be following Bitcoin hard. Sorry for the repetitive. Just love your TA skills. Steph, thank you so much for, of course, supporting the channel here. It's always lovely to see you guys, loving the TA, and of course, always, that you guys loving the channel in general. What is the name of the EMA ribbon? EMA ribbon. It's literally EMA ribbon. So, 88 just broke the triangle. Yeah, I mean, 88 just broke the triangle. If you probably looked at the lower time frames, maybe you're farming something. Yeah, you were of course farming maybe a bull flag over here, but yeah, you entered in the monster long on ADA yesterday, so you were doing of course a very nice job. So let me know what your entry price is real quickly. If you're also in the chat, let me know in the chat if you're having a very nice entry price. But yeah, I mean, we were witnessing the support line over here, providing so strong support for the ADA price action. We were looking at this, and really, if we're going to see the same, I should only add more to your position, in my opinion. So, Shelro also tuning in here. Good morning, Shelro. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Thanks. I made money yesterday. Guys, lovely to hear. CME gap on Monday possible? Yes, it's definitely possible, but we will be going into the CME gap in a second. But what are we having right now with Cardano? Because this is the bigger picture for Cardano. But if I zoom in a little bit, guys. If I zoom in a little bit here, you can also see that we were first going into the downtrend on the 30 minutes. You can see we're going in a downtrend. And what you want to do if you're trading. If you are trading, you want to trade with the trend. And what you are having over here, you can see a W getting formed. So you were in a downwards momentum phase. You were selling lower highs, lower lows. But what you are spotting over here is exactly that you are setting a higher low and a neckline. So you're forming basically a W structure. And W structures are very, very strong reversal patterns. So what you're also doing right now is having a retest of this previous neckline of this W structure. So if I look at the price action of ADA here in the immediate short term, I will be looking to push the price a little bit higher towards this target around the $1.23. So for me, if I look at the chart right now in the 30 minutes in the lower time frame, so of course this is a pretty low time frame. So it is showing a little bit less significance. And also Mark is saying extra super chat for me for your attention to say my name. Oh no, I'm not going to attempt it once again here. Mark McConaughey. Okay, I did my best, Mark. I did my best. I'm so bad with pronouncing names, guys. I'm so bad with pronouncing names, so excuse me already. But ADA price action is looking good here in the immediate short term, forming a really a show of a signal that we are going to reverse the market here. So definitely can push the price a little bit higher here. Also having this retest already solidifying here, so it is looking particularly strong, guys. So yeah, let me check it. Let me check the price action. Oh damn. Sorry, I have to take a drink real quickly. Of course. Drinking, stay hydrated, guys. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Very important thing. Rover, breathe, please. Yes, of course I'm breathing, guys. And if you want to win a mark, let me know real quickly. So lovely. I love water. I love water so much, guys. But what we are having here with the price action, of course, Bitcoin. But I mean, guys, let's do a mug giveaway once again today. So if you want to be eligible to win them, let's say what should we do here? Let's say 1,000 likes here. So of course, I am also having some other stuff to give away. By the way, if you're winning a mug, you're also winning a Bitcoin. Let's see, a Bitcoin logo. So you're winning a Bitcoin. Just a Bitcoin logo. So I will be sending the Bitcoin logo within the mug. So, of course, very cool if you're winning the mug. You're also winning some extra stuff. Guys, I want to give something extra away. And also, you know, we're going to do this 0.5 Ethereum giveaway. This is an insane giveaway. I mean, that's the biggest giveaway that I'm going to do because the Ethereum price is even increasing more. So that is a giveaway of approximately, let me see, approximately $900 giveaway that I'm going to do on the channel. That's, of course, an insane giveaway. I've never did such a big giveaway. But the reason why I'm doing a $900 giveaway is basically because I want to give something back to you guys. I want to give something back to you guys, and I will be doing this giveaway once reaching the 30k subscribers, guys. So definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. And the only way how you can participate in this challenge, if you're in the live stream, because I only will be doing this live in the stream. And yeah, I mean, I will be not notifying everyone, and I mean, I will be notifying, of course, everyone in the Discord, but yeah, you will be just have to be in the stream if you are willing to win the 0.5 Ethereum, and also it will be live in the stream as well. So I do think it is certainly a possibility that we're going to reach it tomorrow. Tomorrow is a high probability that we're going to reach the 30k subscribers. So yeah, maybe already doing tomorrow the giveaway of 0.5 Ethereum, of course. I look forward to it. I don't have Instagram, so the mug giveaway here, please. Of course, yes. Mug giveaway will be just in the live chat. But yeah, of course, thank you for notifying me as well. But Instagram is, of course, also a possibility that you can be doing. Instagram is also a possibility, but I mean, we will be doing it, of course, on the live chat. So Marcelo also donated, and you're saying, oh, what about storage and sand? So let me check storage real quickly. Let me check storage. So damn, yeah, of course, storage is still going up here. Even though I was expecting, I drew this because I was expecting that storage is going to cool off. And I mean, I was saying it over here, but right now I will be saying it just over here. I was telling you guys, yes, there's a high probability that we're even going to go higher. But the main thing that I am looking at right now is once again forming another bearish divergence. You're only forming more and more bearish divergences. This is just so likely to cool off. It is so likely to cool off massively. So if you are in this coin, you do want to be careful. You do want to be waiting. In my opinion, it's not looking good here. $3.25 here. You want to be careful. In my opinion, it is going to cool off here. And I mean, do you want to call the exact top? It's very hard. Just like Bitcoin, calling the exact top will be hard. But I think what you can be doing here is dollar cost averaging out. So each and every time sell a bit, because it will be reversing pretty significantly, and probably it will be just losing 40% from his top. So I mean, if you're willing to lose a lot of money, I mean, you should of course still be in it, but in my opinion it's pretty overextended, and in my opinion you also in the daily forming a bearish divergence, so yeah, creating a big wick as well. For me, it's not looking that we're going to go way higher. And Sheryl, you are enjoying the donation, just the amazing Ethereum emojis, of course. 0.5 Ethereum. Yes, we are going to do 0.5 Ethereum. I'm looking forward to it. I mean, Ethereum, guys, maybe, by the way, maybe I'm not going to do Ethereum, but Litecoin, because someone is saying something correctly. The cost fees are very high. So let me know. I think I will be just doing it in Litecoin, but still $800 in Litecoin. So for Litecoin giveaway, because Litecoin, the transactions are just way cheaper, and otherwise I'm paying a lot of transaction fees, and you are just getting less, and that's not a thing that we want to. So let's do it in Litecoin. That's a good one. Let's do it in Litecoin. So sand, what are we having with sand? Let me check it real quickly, because I don't want to pay these high gas fees, guys. I don't like gas fees. So probably going to do it in Litecoin, by the way. So let me see. How much Litecoin are we going to do? Yeah, we will be checking the $800 worth of Litecoin we're going to give away. And we're going to give it away to 10 people. So you can win $80, and there are 10 people that can win it. So that's, of course, very amazing. So we're going to do it in Litecoin, guys. I will be not going to do it in Ethereum, because that's a very good one. Litecoin or Cardano will be better. That's true. That's true. I will be doing other coins. That's a very good one. Thank you for notifying me. I mean, I haven't thought even about the gas fees. Of course, if you're only sending $80, it's pretty high what the gas fees are going to be. But sand, what are we having here with sand, guys? This is, of course, very exciting. Sand, of course, also still increasing in valuation, but on the daily, I'm looking at the daily right now. And what you can see right away, I don't want to be a bear boy, but what you can see right now with sand as well is that you're forming a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart. It is just set to have a reversal anytime soon here. So in my opinion, you do want to be careful with the price action of sand. It's not looking particularly interesting, in my opinion, to enter right now, because if you're entering right now, you're just committing suicide. I mean, I should not do it over here, because then you're just entering at such high levels, and that is, of course, not a thing that we like. That is not a thing that we like to do. I don't want to enter on high levels. And for me, it is getting too overextended, and you should be very careful with it. But let me set up a new Fibonacci because we want to spot some possible levels of resistance. Let me check. Set it up like this. So if you look at these possible levels of resistance, you can see not clearly making it, but we are getting very close by touching these levels. So 81 cents is already a very strong resistance level. So let's see if we're going to breach through, because if you're going to breach through that level, yeah, we can be maybe looking towards the 91 cents level. But it really depends where the rejection will be coming anytime soon. But yeah, I do think this is the second leg up here, so at least we're going to take out the previous high. So 91 cents is definitely a target that you can be taking profits. Of course, look into the daily candles right now. So let's see. Crypto.com would be good. Yeah, I mean, we can also do Crypto.com. You can do BTT. Everyone is saying different coins. But then, let me see. Doodle also donated £5 here, so thank you so much for your super chat. And let me check what you were saying. Hey, Rover, what happens to the apples? It'd be great to know your thoughts on SRM. And I mean, what is happening with the apples? Nothing. I'm still eating a lot of apples, but the point here, what I'm doing, I'm not eating while streaming, guys. That is the only thing that I'm doing here. So, Doodle, nothing happened to the apples, and I will. I mean, I don't want to be eating while stream, because that is just a little bit annoying. I mean, if you're watching the videos and you're seeing me eating an apple, that will be pretty annoying. But Doodle, from the next streams, I will be having more apples with me, because of course I am still eating a lot of apples. And I mean, I also just recently, I mean, let's say eating 3 apples a day or so. I mean, apples are so healthy. Apples are nice. I'm also from the Netherlands, and apples are just mainstream over here. They're just very nice. So nothing happened with the apples. I still love them. So DG, you're saying check RDN. So DG, or DJ. I will be checking it in a second. Sheldon, you're saying, sorry, I just found out we have different emojis. You have, let's say, 10 emojis or so. So what are we having with us, our SRM? You can see we're creating a top, and what we are seeing over here with this price action, I'm getting very concerning. If I look to the chart, I should be getting very oh damn, I removed all the indicators once again. But I should get very concerning if you look to the chart, because I will be setting up this with the new Fibonacci here real quickly, because I just like the colors a little bit better. As you can see, it is very interesting what we are having. This lower side is holding us up as support. We've not clearly touched it, but we will be providing a lot of support on this level, in my opinion. So let's see what we are going to do over there. And yeah, also this top side rejected over here. And I mean, it is not showing a lot of significance. If I look, it's of course on the daily. That's the reason why maybe. But on the 4 hour, it is showing some more significance. This is of course very interesting. We're getting stopped out by the 1.618. Getting supported by by the previous high, of course. This previous high is right now acting as support. So of course, if you set up a gray box, it will be showing a more significance. But in general, people are just too greedy to already touch this level. So that is the reason why they already were buying over here. So yeah, what I truly think about it, on the 4 hourly, we were getting oversold as well. So that's the reason why we were pushing a little bit higher, and also getting another super chat for Isaac. So we'll be checking it as well. We'll be going into every super chat. Just give me a second here. But yeah, we were forming a high over here, but in this high you were forming also bearish divergence on the 4 hour, and that's the reason why you were cooling off. And also on the daily, in my opinion, if we're going to go higher, if we're going to take out the previous high, we're going to create massive bearish divergence. So in my opinion, it is likely to cool off. It is likely to consolidate for a second before moving up once again. So it's very hard to say what it's going to do here, in my opinion. But yeah, we are bouncing off from critical support levels, and yeah, the trend is basically basing to the downside. You are forming a downward sloping resistance line right now, so these are lines that you can be looking at in the future. And it feels like a descending broadening wedge here. You're moving to the downside with support going lower, support is going lower, resistance going lower, so a descending broadening wedge is what you can be looking at right now. So let me check it. And then we have a super chat from Isaac, and you're saying, what is up with Harmony 1 tanks? And then you sent another super chat. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, you're saying, what is up with Harmony 1? So let me check Harmony 1 for you. And of course, this is a thing that I don't like, because what is up with Harmony 1? This is absolutely insane. Of course, guys, you know, my charts are doing pretty weird, and it is coming back each and every time, even though if I remove my drawings, on the next day, it just returns all once again. With what I have right now with Harmony 1, I can say you, this is of course very exciting what we are having here, because I've flipped this one to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, it's probably a little bit better to watch. You can see descending triangle getting played out here. You're breaking this critical resistance level, and this is also the reason why we are showing follow-through. Also perfect touch on this level, of course. Here you had to fake out. But since having multiple touches on this level, and maybe you can even draw this resistance target from here. But I don't really like it, to be honest. But here you can see fake out, and right now here you're moving to the upside. So descending triangle breaking out to the upside. The price target can be quite interesting. We can be pushing all the way back up here towards the 21 cents here. So this 1 hourly candle is already showing huge follow through here. So let's see what it is going to do for the price action of Harmony 1. It is looking good here. It's not looking bad. Finally breaking critical levels of resistance. And this is also looking like a clear breakout. But the only thing that I don't like to see here, decreasing volume. The volume is not getting high enough, in my opinion. Do want to be seeing more volume coming in. Otherwise, I should really be doubting this one. I should be really doubting this one. So please show us some more volume, and then I can really confirm the breakout. Because on breakouts, you want to see volume coming in as well. So Chris Sherry also saying opinions on book map strategy seems promising. So let me check it. Book map strategies. What is this one? Is this a coin book map? Let me check. Let me. Is this an automatic trading thing or so? I mean, bookmap strategy seems promising. That's probably such an automatic trading thing. But I mean, I'm not looking to trade with bots. The point here is you're probably talking about the bot trading. But Chris, the point here is I do want to be training myself because I don't want to be trading on someone else his trust. I do want to be doing my own research. I will be doing my own trades because I don't trust on indicators. I mean, I look certain times I look to indicators, but I just more likely to I'm just more like to look at technicals, previous support levels, previous resistance levels. It is just showing more significance. I don't like to trade. I don't like to copy trade. So don't like it, man. Eat an apple. I will be eating an apple anytime soon here. So Thomas also doing, you're saying morning thoughts on Cardano breakout anytime soon. So yeah, we were discussing ADA earlier on already. Allah. People are saying BTC breakout. Let me check your Bitcoin in a second. So what we were looking for ADA here. If I flip this to the 30-minute, I like the 30-minute a little bit better. But if I flip this to the 30-minute, you can see, in my opinion, we were creating a W structure. And since we're right now retesting this W structure, I think we can be moving a little bit higher. We can be heading towards our price target, towards the $1.24. So let's see if we're going to reach it. And this is my true opinion about what we are seeing right now with ADA, because ADA is just in general looking strong. W getting formed, moving to the upside. And of course, this is a very low time frame reversal structure. But yeah, you are forming a reversal. You're started the downtrend here on the lower time frames, and then you're reversing with a W. And then you're breaking to the upside, testing the level, and now you can start an uptrend. So it is looking good. In my opinion, we're probably going to move up once again with ADA for the coming hours. So Martin, I'll say, please, can you check Vechain long trade has been open 2 days, and it hasn't moved too much. Is it a fake out? So is it a fake out? Let's check it. Let's check Vechain, because we love Vechain on the channel. If you're watching the channel for a longer period of time, you know that we are truly loving Vechain. But is it a fake out? What we are having here, it's not doing anything you're saying. But I mean, Vechain is still looking particularly good here. It's just cooling off for a second. It was going up very quickly and a very significant pace as well. Is it on the 4 hour a little bit better? Yes, but I mean, I can also watch this one on the 1 hour. But you can see on Vechain, it is just very exciting what we are having here. I will be redrawing this one a little bit. You can see over here, downward sloping, resistance line getting formed. You are finding support at the top side. You're finding resistance once you're sitting below it over here, as you can see. So yeah, you were seeing a fake out over here, but we're still respecting this level. I think that the Vechain is not looking all too bad at the moment. So yeah, I'm of course looking forward to see where it is heading towards. Also creating a new stealth uptrend. So yeah, I'm getting very curious, of course, what we are going to see with the price action of Vechain. But I feel pretty bullish on it. I still feel very bullish on it, even though that we were seeing a fake out. But this level, this previous resistance, we already cleared this downward sloping resistance line here. I do think it's likely to see Vechain moving up anytime soon here once again, even though it is still pretty overextended. But the daily can definitely make another step to the upside. The daily can definitely make another step to the upside. So I'm looking forward to see Vechain, where Vechain is heading towards, especially because Bitcoin is right now pushing up, guys. Bitcoin is reversing the trend. This will be only pushing this will be only pushing the price more higher and higher for Vechain. So Raymond is also saying, what will be the position of Feta be today? I think Feta will be performing very good in the race. I think he can get the points. He can get the points, at least in the top 10. I love Aston Martin because, guys, you know, if you go to crypto.com /NFT, you can see they drop an NFT of the Aston Martin F1 team here, and I'm a huge F1 fan. And look at this. This is absolutely lovely to see, right? They all sold out here, so all the NFTs got sold out. That's absolutely very cool. I think this can be huge in 10 years or so, because Formula 1 is history, and this will be, if you're holding this will be massively worth a lot. It will be worth a lot, I know for sure, especially this AMR, the Aston Martin 21 unveiling. I think it will be worth a lot. But you can see Crypto.com, very big sponsor on the Aston Martin F1 team. Guys, this is lovely to see. You can see crypto getting into big sports. It is just only giving more exposure to more people, guys. It is only giving more exposure to more people. I just feel very, very, very exciting about this. But Bitcoin is pumping back up here. We are forming a wick on the lower sides. So let me set up this chart once again. And also, first I will be discussing this. I will be first going into the Bitcoin dominance. And after the Bitcoin dominance, I will be going into the CME. Because I see a lot of people right now saying, are we going to create a CME gap, etc., etc. And let me check it. Bitcoin bag, can you check store G? We just checked it, but I will be going into it once again. Quickly doing a story about it, but we already checked it a second ago. Literally 5 minutes ago we checked it, but I will be going into it for you special. Of course, you're requesting it. But you can see over here, the Bitcoin market cap dominance. You have a downwards momentum phase kicking in, because the dominance is very important that you can be looking at. Because in the end of the day, we are here to make some insane gains. And what are we having here? You can see this white line, this yellow line of support is providing a lot of support at the moment. So since this level is holding up pretty strong, of course, it's very lovely to see for the Bitcoin dominance, but we are right now consolidating as well in the momentum indicator. Momentum indicator is still going higher, where the price is still going lower. Very insane. Very cool. But yeah, people are all calling, when are we going to see alt season? When are we going to see alts blasting off? When are we going to see these insane gains that you promised us? And I will be giving these gains to you guys as well here, because the altcoins will be gaining quite significantly. That is just only a matter of time. And also, yeah, we just have to wait a little bit longer, guys, because the gains in the altcoins will be coming. These gains in the altcoins will be returning. It is just almost there, guys. So, coin market cap, want to see a break of this critical white line of support. We haven't tested it recently. We haven't tested this line since the 20th of September. So you can see over here, a touch. But I will be only flipping extremely bullish. I will be flipping extremely bullish on Bitcoin. Once we're, sorry, not on Bitcoin, on the altcoins. I cannot talk. I'm getting too excited. I will be flipping extremely bullish on the altcoins if we're going to break this this white line of support. Because if we are going to break this white line of support, we are absolutely crushing it for the altcoins. And as well, if you look to the altcoins total percentages in the market dominance, you can see we touched this level of support, and right now we are looking for the higher move to the upside. So guys, we are going to see this move to the upside getting printed for the altcoins and also for the Bitcoin dominance going lower. But then, once we are seeing that going for play, we are literally going to see the altcoins doing some very insane things here. We're going to see 30x's, we're going to see 20x's, we're going to see 10x's, we're going to see insane gains. And it is still to come here. So you are not done with accumulating. You are not done with opening swing positions on certain altcoins, because these swing positions on these altcoins, oh damn, these swing positions can give you massive returns. Because yeah, you can make a 30x, but if you also have a 4x leverage, you're making a 120x of your initial. Guys, it's still possible. Don't think that you missed the boat yet. You're just getting into it, and the market is just starting off here. So Amer, also 20-euro donation. Thank you so much. And you were saying, good morning, brother. Like to go long on Litecoin and Vechain. What do you think about this action? I think I like the scenario. Give me a second, Amer. I will be checking it. First, I will be going into Store J. And then, of course, I will be also talking about the CME, guys. So many things to talk about. So many things to talk about. And, I mean, that's the reason I'm getting so excited. I want to talk about so many things here because the market is just so exciting. But my friend, Bitcoin Bag, I was already talking about this one. But in my opinion, it's way too overextended, bro. It's way too overextended. For hourly forming bearish divergence, daily forming bearish divergence, weekly extremely overextended, weekly sitting around 90 in the RSI index. So please be careful on this one. I think it's going to reverse, and especially buying in right here will be just stupid. It will be just stupid and not a part of my plan. So Litecoin, Vechain, we just discussed, Amir. And if you're willing to enter a position on Vechain, I should really use a low leverage. I should just use a low leverage if you're just going to swing trade that one. But Litecoin, I like Litecoin. I like Litecoin, and I think, yes, there is a very good possibility to open a swing trade on Litecoin. And you're talking about the long position, but please, once entering this position on Litecoin, and of course also on Vechain, in my opinion, use just a low leverage, because if you're right, you can open it already, but you have to use a low leverage. And of course, you can be trading Litecoin as well here on Femex. So if you're trading on Femex, that would be of course very cool. And you can also sign up with the referral link, because if you're going to trade it, you can make some, of course, some very nice gains here. We're right now trading for the price action of Litecoin. We're trading against this gray box of resistance. So let's see once we're going to break through it. It would be, of course, very amazing to see if we can break this level. But if we're breaking this level and have to retest, yeah, you can already open the position, because we're going to see this breakout of the symmetrical triangle. And guys, once we are seeing this breakout of the symmetrical triangle here, this will be showing massive follow through for the price action of Litecoin, and we're going to see massive gains being made. And I mean, you can open a swing trade position still here, because just like I told you about the dominance of the altcoins, I think personally there is still a huge, and I'm saying huge, opportunity that Litecoin is just going to $1,000. I mean, it's not out of the card, and it's still a 5x. And if you're just, let's say you have a 4x leverage on it, man, dude, you're making a 20x. You're making a 20x, and that is, of course, that is a very nice game, right? And the funny part about it is that it can be in play here. You can be reaching this within 3 months here, so it can go up very quickly these last months. And also securing in profits will be very important. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do here. Let's see what we're going to do. And the altcoins are just right now in the back. We are not looking at, because Bitcoin is just going sideways. But if you just look to coin market cap, you can see the altcoins are right now the coins that are gaining. You can see still the altcoins are blasting up to the upside, guys. And this is the thing that people are not looking at right now. But this is pre-season that we are right now having. The small signs here of alt season are closing up here, guys. And of course, these are all projects with pretty low market cap that are right now blasting up to the upside. But once, because Ethereum will be also blasting up, in Litecoin as well. But once this Ethereum and Litecoin, they are really starting off their bull run, and they're really starting off their exponential growth period, damn. We're going to see, literally, I'm not kidding, we're going to see 400, we're going to see 500% in just a matter of a day. We're going to see it, and we will be streaming once we are going to see this, because we will be seeing it. And right now, you still have the chance to accumulate it. And that is the thing that is making me feel a little bit it's making me feel a little bit stupid. Because I want to see you guys gain here, and if you're not buying into it, I just feel, man, come on, buy please. Why are you sitting on the sidelines if you know the Bitcoin, if you know that the altcoins will be blasting up to the upside? So please get exposed, guys. You can still buy cheap, even though the market is reversing right now. You maybe think I buy at a high, but are you willing to buy it if Bitcoin is sitting around 60K? If Bitcoin is sitting around 70K? When are you going to buy it? Come on. So, thank you so much for super chat. Let me check it real quickly. Bryce also donated, and you're saying fast on where UFR is going. Thanks, no problem. People are saying Bitcoin is going up. Yes, let's go, guys. We closed this 1 hourly candle. We closed the 1 hourly candle. We will be discussing this, but give me a second. Bryce, thank you for your 10 LC dollars. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Let's quickly refresh here. We're sitting at 54.4%. And right now 55%. So we got got someone overtook us, but I mean not much to worry about. He is only 0.02%, 0.04% ahead of us. So not a lot. I mean, we will be taking him out anytime soon here, guys. We're doing such a good job in the challenge. I'm just loving it. I'm just loving to see it. Of course, the big gains. Oh, damn, guys. Bitcoin is showing volatility. And this is a level that we want to be looking at. I will be going in your request in a second, Bryce, because what we are having here is this horizontal resistance level on the 4 hour, guys. This horizontal resistance level on the 4 hour is the main thing that is holding us back at the moment for the price action of Bitcoin, because this is very critical levels. And if we are going to close the 4 hourly candle above this one, guys, I will be flipping even more bullish. I will be flipping even more bullish on Bitcoin. So Please get exposed. So let me check real quickly. I will be going into Bitcoin in a second ago, guys. I will be going into Bitcoin very quickly, even though it's pumping right now. Definitely lovely to see where Bitcoin is right now pushing up here. But I will be quickly checking UFR. Oh, I cannot have it on trading views. That is pretty unfortunate. That's pretty unfortunate, my bro. But yeah, let me see how it up firing. It is here on CoinMarketCap, so that's of course very lovely to see. Very lovely to see that it's also here on CoinMarketCap, but you can see it's sitting around 44 cents, and it was sitting around $2.40. Of course, a lot of circulating supply is coming into the market. That's the reason why it is not pumping as significant as 2017. So yeah, you do want to be careful with these coins. Founded early in 2017, Firing was established to create an alternative peer-to-peer file sharing protocols. So file sharing protocols, of course, there are a lot of file sharing protocols. But yeah, let's see what it's going to do. I don't know. I mean, I will be not doing my fundamental research, and unfortunately, it is not on TradingView. But yeah, it is performing pretty strong, my bro. Don't know if you bought in early, because if you bought in early, you already did a 4x to an approximately an 8x, 4 to 8x. So yeah, of course, if you're doing so, you're doing a very good job, and I love to see my community gain, of course. Our community, I'm sorry. But yeah, you're doing a good job. It's very hard to give my thoughts about this one. I can already analyze the charts. The volume is also picking up here, so that's lovely to see. There was a huge volume spike, and right now is decreasing once again, but even the price is going higher. So you want to be careful, because these can just be whale pumps. And yeah, it's looking good, my bro. Let's see if you can gain some more about it. But guys, I feel very excited. I feel very excited once looking at Bitcoin. And you can see it is right now sitting around 56.5k here. Bitcoin, dude. Yes, we will be checking Bitcoin, guys. Sorry for being looking to this in a second, but I had to check it. Guys, the 4-hourly candles. The 4-hourly candles will be very important for Bitcoin, because, guys, you know the 4-hour is usually showing a lot of significance. And what we are having right now, guys, what we are having right now for the price of Bitcoin, that we are pushing higher. And you can see over here, because we will be calling a trend reversal if Bitcoin is taking out the previous high and closing the candle higher. And look at this, we are pumping, guys. We are pumping to the upside. But what I want to be seeing here, because I am already feeling bullish, of course. I am already in these long positions. But what I want to be seeing for everyone to flip very bullish, and also for everyone to activate their long positions, I first want to see a confirmation. And the confirmation that I am waiting for right now, of course, we are seeing already multiple confirmations coming in here, because we have the confirmation that we are breaking on the 1 hour the downtrend. We are breaking the downtrend at the moment. So this was, of course, already the first confirmation that we were getting. This was the first confirmation that we were yesterday getting, and that was the reason why we first were flipping bullish. But then, this is the last confirmation that we need, guys. This is the last confirmation that we need, and this is a higher close than the previous high on the 4-hour. So if we're going to close above this white line of resistance, if we're going to close above this level, we officially started a new trend. We started a new trend to the upside, and we can be looking to activate our long positions. So, guys, are you feeling ready? So DJ, I will be checking RDN in a second, but first I really want to discuss Bitcoin. I'm sorry, bro, DJ. I know you're a true supporter. Thank you for also becoming a member, because I haven't seen you become a member live in the channel. But DJ, I will be checking it later on once the Bitcoin is just cooling off for a second. Okay, bro. I will be checking it. I promise you. So thanks for your objective streams. Yeah, guys. I mean, I am feeling very bullish. I am in these very good long positions, and let me check on the long. I mean, if I look at the position, I feel very happy. I feel very happy, and especially if we are really calling a trend reversal, because people are sometimes, they're calling everything, but I will be calling a trend reversal once I'm seeing this 4-hourly candle close above this line. And guys, then you will be having such strong opportunities to enter a position. And I mean, of course, you don't have to trade with high leverage. You can trade however you want, and of course, you don't want to trade. You can also just hold. But yeah, if you want to accumulate more Bitcoin, of course, always trade at your own risk here. But if you are trading with the trend, your risk is very marginal. And that's also the thing that I want to be doing, because I am willing to enter more to my positions. And if you are if you are willing to join me on these trades, guys, you can do so right now. And of course, I will be giving on the channel. You have to keep an eye out on the channel because I will be giving a lot of updates about how we are going to do this, how we are going to approach this. So definitely make sure to smash up the likes right now because I see that we're only 4 likes away here. And can we smash it up to 500 likes here to push Bitcoin also to a new all-time high, guys? That would be, of course, very cool. If we can right now smash it up to 500 likes, that would be amazing. Maybe we can also see Bitcoin also breaking this critical resistance level then. They're all pumping. Yeah, the altcoins are also blasting up right now, guys. So let me know if we can smash it up to 500 likes because also giving away a MA, guys, once reaching the 1,000 likes. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Let me also set a Fibonacci real quickly up here. Because are we going to spot some levels of resistance? Yes, we are going to spot more resistance, but we are just, the trend is basically to the upside, so there will be just more resistance that is going to support us, guys. There will be more support than resistance, of course. Still a lot of levels that we have to take out here, but I just feel extremely bullish. And also on the daily close will be very important for Bitcoin. Daily close has to be above the 20-day moving average, but I feel very bullish about this. I cannot say that I'm bearish right now. I cannot say that we are bearish. And also, only 24 more likes away from the 500 likes, guys. Can we reach it right now here? That would be amazing. That will be truly valuable for me. Will be meaning a lot for me as well. You guys are just, of course, hitting that like button is, of course, yeah, so supportive. So supportive. It's completely free, and you're helping out the channel. You're pushing this content to more people because if we want to get everyone exposed to Bitcoin, right? And I know I want to get exposed. I want to expose everyone to Bitcoin, but still, there are so many people that are waiting on the sidelines right now. They are willing to wait for 47k Bitcoin. The average Joe is still waiting for the 47k Bitcoin, and I see everyone saying we're getting rejected. Yeah, I mean. We still have 2 hours and 51 minutes, guys. 2 hours and 51 minutes before closing this this 4-hourly candle. So there is still enough time here. And let me check real quickly. I have to check for something, but there's still enough time to break through this level, and there's still enough time to break above this level. So don't say that we are getting rejected right now. And we also just smashed it up to 500 likes. And oh, then that's weird. And right now it flashed back to 430 likes. And right now it's 520 likes once again. So YouTube is sometimes messing around with me. But thank you so much for hitting the like button, of course. But guys, please don't say that we're getting rejected. And people are also saying in chat, dump incoming. I'm waiting for the 48k. And you're saying, I'm not saying that you're doing a bad job, bro. I mean, I don't want to say it, but I have to say it. Are you being the average Joe that's waiting for 48k Bitcoin? Because, guys, you know it. You know my friend is still waiting for the 9.7k Bitcoin. My friend is still waiting for 9.7k Bitcoin. And if he, let me know, are we going to see 9.7k Bitcoin ever again? I don't think so. I don't think that we're going to see a 9.7k Bitcoin ever again. And if you're right now watching, the chart and you are waiting for a 47k Bitcoin, are you still going to wait? Are you still going to wait? My question is, are you still going to wait? Let me know, because I don't think that we're going to reach it. And guys, this is a lovely thing to see here, because this is the CME chart. Real quickly, I'm looking to the CME chart because I see a lot of people stressing out. People are here in the chat. They are saying, but we're going to create a CME gap. We're going to create a CME gap. We're going to dump on the Monday. Yes, there's the probability is high that we're going to dump on the Monday. But guys, look at this previously. People were we were pumping over the weekend. And people were anticipating, we are going to fill this gap. So what were people doing? People were waiting on the sidelines to buy lower Bitcoin. They were still waiting for fill this gap and then buy it. And these whales, they know it as well. So they start up pushing the price on the Monday because the whales were shaking out over here. And now, right now, once we're opening this Monday, probably they will push up the price because then the average Joe and the retailers are still waiting to buy cheap Bitcoin, but you won't buy cheap Bitcoin, because if you're waiting to buy Bitcoin right now, you will be only buying higher and higher and higher. So please don't get wrecked, guys. I'm willing to say this. I think these whales are going to play a game with us. I don't think that we necessarily have to fill the CME gap, because if we look to historic data, the CME gaps are not always have to be filled, guys. CME gaps don't always have to be filled. And also, Shelter is saying last time in January we pumped like 20% on a Monday in January. And guys, I think there is a high probability we're doing the exact same here. What an optimistic you are. Nice train. Thank you for letting me know. But guys, I know the CME expired. CME was first pushing the price lower. Right now they will be pushing up the price because they are betting on an 80k Bitcoin. And if you haven't followed me already on Twitter, you have to do so right now. Because look at this update I was giving you. Of course, the available Bitcoin on exchange is finally decreasing. This is truly historical. Like I'm also saying here, in this picture, you can see the total Bitcoin balance on exchanges is only getting less and less and less. And this is a thing that I cannot stress enough about, of course. And you can see, this is just a true historic moment because we have never seen this. And this is once again an indication that the demand is higher than ever before. And also a thing that we have never been through with Bitcoin is the economic crisis. And what are we heading towards? We are seeing the fourth stimulus checks is maybe on the way. Of course, it's not official yet, but it is on the way. People are, the lawmakers already support the further direct payments for the Americans for the fourth stimulus checks, guys. We are probably going to see another stimulus checks, and guys, what will be this fourth stimulus check will be only breaking down their economic system, and the demand will be not slowing down, in my opinion, guys. The demand will not be slowing down, and I will be getting only more and more exciting to see Bitcoin. I think we are set to go to the moon, guys. I mean, I don't want to be a moon boy, but I just cannot. If I look at these charts, if I look at the on-chain data, I just feel so bullish about it because we've never been through an economic crisis, and I'm getting very curious, how is Bitcoin going to behave itself in an economic crisis? Because there's a lot of speculation going on here, but in the end of the day, we don't know what Bitcoin is going to do in an economic crisis. But one thing that I do know here is that people will be looking for safe assets that they can put their money in to secure their wealth, and Bitcoin is exactly that. Bitcoin is a store of value, so that's my reason to believe Bitcoin will be hugely adopted here. Money printer is going. Let's go. Endless stimmies. I'd love to see endless stimmies. And yeah, just very nice to see. But people are saying, yeah, we are seeing greed because we're getting less Bitcoin available on the exchanges. It's greed. But look at 2017. Look at 2017. There was also greed, right? But still, we were in a bull market in 2017. But still, the available Bitcoin was going higher on exchanges because there was more Bitcoin getting mined than what's getting bought. And right now we are having the exact opposite. So this is literally a demand shock that we are having. And this is truly historical. This is a true historical moment. And yeah, I mean, I just get so happy. I just get so happy once looking to the chart. And guys, there's also a reason why you can be following us on Twitter. It will be very cool if we can reach the 3,600 followers. If you haven't already, at Rover Crypto. Would be, of course, very amazing. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. Would be, of course, also lovely. I see one new follower, so two new followers. Big shout out to you guys. And you have to be careful because on Instagram there are so many impersonators. And big shout out to Verschop, etc. But guys, there are so many impersonators on Instagram. They are trying to pretend like they're me, but they are not. So you have to be careful. And yeah, I will never DM you and say, hey, how you're doing? Do you want to earn some quick money? Yeah, send me your Bitcoin. I will be not saying that, please. There are so many scammers also in the Discord. And you just want to be careful. You just want to be careful, but it is very exciting, of course, to see what the market is doing here, the opportunities that it is giving us, and yeah, lovely to see, right? 5-minute bearish divergence. So yeah, we are on the 5-minute. We are having a bearish. We are having a bearish divergence. Setting a lower high in the RSI and higher high in the price chart. So of course that's pretty interesting. 15-minute also bearish divergence. Not clear. So of course, always very exciting to see here. Here we were also forming this bearish divergence over here. So that bearish divergence can, on lower time frames, a bearish divergence can basically mean that you're going to cool off for, let's say, a half an hour. On the 5-minute, maybe you can cool off for half an hour and then push up. So of course, the higher the time frame, the bearish divergence, the higher the time frame, the longer the cool off period can be. But of course, on the 5-minute, is usually not very significant because you're just moving in these lines. But yeah, Bitcoin sitting around these levels is making me feel very exciting, of course. also just the training competition is just... wait, we are P5 once again, 58.2%. So we are still doing a good job, guys. Let me know. CR's live to 125% here. This account what we are currently looking at here is in this trade, of course, 90%. Unfortunately, because you don't enter with all your quantity, it's only saying 66%, so that's pretty unfortunate. But I mean, yeah, it is still doing good here, and I will be riding this one to new all-time highs. So, I mean, I love it. I love it. I truly love it, and I am willing to see this trade going to new all-time highs because the team, if we're going to ride this trade to new all-time highs, you know that we are literally going to be in, let's say, 500% profit, etc. And this will be boosting the team so hard, guys. If I have two accounts, because Sierra is live is also an account of me, we will be boosting the team so hard. And I will be, I mean, with the team, of course, we will be going for the #1 spot in this challenge, of course. I'm just looking forward to it. I'm just looking forward to it. And I cannot wait till we're getting this #1 spot. And of course, it doesn't matter when we are getting the #1 spot, at least if it is before we enter competition. So it's all about how you're ending it, so I'm looking forward to it, of course. Rover, smart to move Ethereum to Bitcoin, or Ethereum will pump too? I mean, why you're willing to? I mean, I still don't think that Ethereum is really dead, to be honest. I still don't think that Ethereum is really bad, even though you're seeing a minor breakdown. But you can see it also over here. I mean, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is, of course, right now sitting pretty low. So why should you shift your Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, to where Ethereum can benefit more from it? And I do think alt season will be coming, and Ethereum will also gain a lot here. I don't think Ethereum is over, and I still think the potential rewards that you can be gaining on Ethereum will be higher than the Bitcoin. So I should diversify. I should not put everything into Ethereum. Why should you all shift? Why should you all shift your Bitcoins to Ethereum? I should not do it. Why should you shift all your Ethereum to Bitcoin? Of course, you want to get exposed to Bitcoin, but this is a little bit panicking what you're doing. It's a little bit panicking what you're doing. I don't like that. Ethereum's fees are... yeah, Ethereum fees are what suck. Yeah, that's true. The Ethereum gas fees are way too high. But yeah, let's see if they can fix it. Let's see if they can fix it in the next... in July, they're probably fixing it. So I truly hope that Ethereum can fix it. Because I just like Ethereum, and there's so many projects built on Ethereum, because otherwise you're just going to break it. Hey, Red Rover, can you prepare for a good trade breakout? Yeah, of course. But I mean, the only thing that I don't like here, it is not really a pen. I like to trade patterns. And right now, what we are seeing here is consolidation under resistance. Consolidation under resistance, of course, very bullish, but it's not really giving you a clear price target. I do think the 57.5k. This Fibonacci target, you can see also over here, a resistance, support. But this Fibonacci target will be providing very, very strong resistance, guys. This level will be providing very strong resistance. So if we're breaking through this level, you can be looking for a small scalp trade to the upside. That can be approximately 1.5% here. But I mean, I should not really. I should really wait. The point here is, I mean, I don't really like it, but the possibility that you can be doing here is that you also look at this downward sloping resistance line here from the top side to this one, and then probably going to touch another time over here anytime soon. So there is a high probability that we're going to find some resistance over here anytime soon. And let me draw it perfectly, because if I draw perfectly, we're getting very close to this resistance line, of course. So the high probability that we're going to find massive resistance is also here, and we can be maybe pushing a little bit lower. But yeah, if we're going to break this one as well, we only will be flipping more and more bullish, of course, on the price chart. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do here, guys. I think bullish on one breakout. Of course. Bullish consolidation. Resistance will be breaking today. I agree. I agree. So yeah, it is looking good for Bitcoin. But I think that's also looking good as a channel, guy, because we are so close to the 29k here. We're very close to the 29k. We are exactly 22 subscribers away from the 29k here. And guys, can we reach 29k live in stream? So, if you're new to the channel, because usually only 30%, and recently it is becoming more, but only 30% of the subscribers, I mean the 30% of the watchers, are subscribed to the channel. And if it is literally only 30%, we can easily get this 22 subscribers in here. So if you want to help me out here, if we can reach the 29k right now, live in the stream, that would be, of course, very amazing. So make sure to hit that bell notification as well if you want to do so. And I see already only 20 right now, so another 2 came in here. So it would be, of course, very lovely if you can do it all together if you're new to the channel and you want to support it. Yeah, And make sure to support the channel. And people are saying we're having a bullish divergence on the 4 hourly. You're right. We are setting a lower high in the price chart, higher high in the RSI, so bullish divergence on the 4 hourly. This is looking good. This is a hidden bullish divergence, of course. This is looking good. Someone is saying it as well. I want a mug. Yes, of course. But we will be giving away a mug once reaching 1,000 likes, guys. We'll be giving away once reaching 1,000 likes. And oh damn, we're very close. We haven't reached it yet, but we are very close by reaching 29k, guys. Exactly 6 more subscribers, so it would be of course very lovely if we can reach it. Yeah, let's see if we can. I need your mug. I know some people because we already gave away quite a lot of mugs. Yeah, right now, because the shipping times are really depending where you live. I ship from the Netherlands, but it usually takes 2 or 3 weeks or so. And then I see the pictures that you guys send me, that you are drinking from them, etc., etc. I really love it. I really love it to see it. I really love to see it. We would 29k subscribers. Did we reach it? No, we haven't. Dubai soon. Yes. In May I will be going. In May I will be going to Dubai as well. So looking forward. Smash the likes. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. There will be another chance to win the mug, of course. I know Cheryl really wants to win it, but we have to do it fair. Everyone has the same probability to win it. And guys, yeah, I think yes. Oh, sometimes it doesn't update the subscriber count, but on my screen is only 1 subscriber. But yeah, we reached it. So 29k subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. You guys are so amazing. It's truly lovely to see that we are reaching this target once again, because we're so close. We are so close for reaching the 30k here, guys. We're so close. We're only a few percentage away, and of course we are right now at 29% from the 100k. Of course, that's the target that we do want to be reaching anytime soon. But yeah, thank you already for supporting the channel. This is one of the best things I can wish for, of course. I helped. A big shout out who right now just subscribed to the channel. Let me know in the chat. It's truly cool. And Dean Harvey is saying, my portfolio is 55%. Should I put more into alts in the top 20? Dean Harvey, yes, I think the gains will be high in the altcoins. But I think a portfolio that is more exposed to Bitcoin is very good. It's a safer portfolio. So yeah, thank you, Matthew. Let's go, let's go. I would die for a mug. That's insane. You will give everything. Congratulations, 30k soon. Yeah, guys, we're doing this together. And of course, I truly love it. I truly love it. Also, the Discord, having almost 11k members. It's absolutely insane. We're just, as a channel, as a community, because we are in general just a very strong community, we're just doing very good. We're just doing very good, and I love to see it. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do, guys. And are we making some good gains anytime soon? Because yeah, the market is giving us the opportunity to make these good gains. So that's the thing that I love to see. That is the thing that I love to see, of course. And yeah, always once the market is giving us opportunities, it's lovely. It's lovely. I just subscribed. I greatly appreciate your sharing your insights with us. And Matthew, thank you so much. We're on the top of the roller coaster. I mean, we're not at the top yet. We're just stepping into the roller coaster, guys. We are just stepping into the roller coaster. And I mean, make sure to put your seatbelt on, because it is going to be a very insane ride, of course. 30k subs for over and 60k Bitcoin in April. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 60k Bitcoin in April, that's so conservative, Wing Commander. That's so conservative. I think a 60k Bitcoin is still conservative for April. I mean, we almost reached it already. Look at 60k. It is laying around the corner. It's only 6% move to the upside, and you can know a 6% move in the upside to the upside can be happening here in just a matter of 4 hours, or a matter in 1 hour. If we really want to, look at this. This is, of course, a 4-hour candle, but you can see this is a 6% move to the upside in approximately 4 hours, so it's not off the books. And, of course, if you look to Elon Musk, what he can do, Elon Musk is, of course, only giving bigger and bigger pumps. Yeah, he was, of course, pumping the price 50% in just a matter of 4 hours. And that is, of course, a lovely thing to see. And it can be in play anytime soon here. 100k April. I don't think 100k is likely to reach in April. I do think 70 to 80k is the target that we will be looking at for April. And also, that is the reason why the swing trades are right now active, guys. Because in the end of the day, we just want to make good profits. Let me check up this one. 3k in profit there. Let me check real quickly. I mean, yeah, approximately right now in 12k in profits already with these trades. So, guys, yeah, of course, since recently I started showing my trades, of course, because I want to create more transparency with you guys, and you guys seem to love it. So, yeah, of course, you don't need to make. Yeah, I mean, with more money, you can make more money. But it's just making you feel very, very exciting. And always when trading, you have to trade with a small amount of your portfolio because trading is always a risk. But you always have your own opinion. I always distract a lot of my trading account as well because I want to secure in some profits. That is very important. I'm always withdrawing some profits from my trading because then I can just build my holding position because I am building a bigger holding position for Bitcoin in the end of the day. And that is also the thing what you do want to be doing because if you're having a lot of let's say you have a lot of Bitcoins on your trading account, you're only going to trade with more Bitcoin, but you're taking more risk. So you also want to send something to your private account sometimes because otherwise you're just taking too many risks. So that's also wise advice here. Of course, no financial advice, but it's a wise thing to do here, in my opinion. If you're willing to trade, please make sure to also send some profits to your own account. Also, if you are doing it, it is very wise advice. I love roller coasters. Yeah, same. Norris will win the race today. No. Max will win. Let's see. 70k Bitcoin in April. Guys, 70k Bitcoin is so in play. It's so realistic. What did Elon Musk tweet? Did Elon tweet something? Oh, we're almost reaching the 3,600. 3,600 followers. Yeah, he tweeted this. I truly don't know. But he did not tweet anything. Of course, he was don't DeFi, and he was talking about DeFi. Of course, he says the probability of DeFi. Of course. I mean, he's not tweeting recently. He's waiting. He's waiting till there's a lot of shorts active, and then he will be tweeting that Tesla even added more to the balance sheet. So yeah, looking forward to it, of course. I cannot wait till Elon is going to push the price even higher. Do you like Lewis? Yeah, I like him, but I like Max just more. I like Lewis is not a bad driver, but I just like to see Max win, of course. Yeah, if we're really going to see a drop of 54.7k, of course, there are very, very huge levels of support once we're dropping. But I don't. There is of course, we're just going up I mean, we're going to up. We're right now up in a steady trend, and if we're going to break it, I mean, we're still bullish in my opinion. If we're going to get a rejection from the stop side, and we're heading towards the let's say the 54.7k, this is still a very strong entry opportunity here, because you want to enter on the lows, and you want to exit on the highs, of course. But yeah, this level over here is definitely a good level that you can be entering, because you're probably moving down to this level and then bouncing right away to the upside. We're going to see the moon anytime soon, guys. We're going to see the moon anytime soon. Max is going to crash. No, don't say that. Tesla will buy the dips. No, probably. Where's the volume going? Yeah, this is pretty concerning, of course. 4 hourly for a volume is not quite high. Reason why it's weekend. It's weekend, and that's the reason why weekends are so interesting. That is the reason why weekends are so interesting. Also on Ethereum, decreasing volume. So yeah, let's see what we're going to have here, of course. Let me check Polkadot real quickly. People are seeming to ask a lot about Polkadot. And basically, what the new scenario that I will be looking at for Polkadot is the scenario here of the parallel channel. And this basically because we're trading between these two ranges. We're trading between two ranges for the price action of Polkadot. And it seems that we are holding up the bottom as support and the top side as resistance. So Polkadot is basically trading between two ranges. And I do think it's very good times to enter Polkadot, even though you're, of course, are already pushing up to the upside once again. And you can see also 4-hour was getting pretty oversold over here. And people are stressing out here. People are panic selling. And I know some friends, they bought the top over here of Polkadot. And even though if you bought the top, I should not be worried. I should not be worried. They are looking to sell. They said, oh man, I feel so bad. I'm going to sell it. I don't want to make more losses. And do you want to guide it standing over here? No, you don't. You don't. So yeah, I do think Polkadot can definitely move to the upside of this channel. And of course, once breaking this resistance line, we can be moving higher. But there's nothing to worry about in my opinion. Polkadot is going to blast off anytime soon. Look at the 50-minute triangle for Bitcoin. Let me check it for you. But I mean, Polkadot is also going to gain more in valuation. It's just a matter of time. You're talking about the 50-minute, and we were having this chart already set up, right? No, we did not. Let me get a clear chart. Let me get a clear chart in front of me. Yeah, there was an triangle forming, of course. But then, I mean, yeah, I don't really like it, to be honest. I mean, yeah, there was a symmetrical triangle getting formed for Bitcoin. But I don't really like it. The lower the time frame, the less significant it is. So that's the reason why I not be trading this. I should be not trading it. I mean, yeah, there's certainly a possibility that you're trading the lower time frames, but there's just more risk attached to it. There is. How do we join the Femex group? You can't anymore. You can't anymore. If you read it, if you go to the Femex competition and you go to here and you read the competition timeline, the application stage is already over. You had only 13 days to apply, and this was also the reason, guys. I was very afraid for this, that a lot of people would tune into the channel here and they see, oh damn, can I join the challenge as well? Unfortunately, you can't. I mean, there are a lot of people who are saying on the sidelines, but there will be a next challenge anytime soon. You can already sign up with Femex because, yeah, I just like Femex, they changed. But I mean, the competition stage is right here till the 6th of April, so still some days to go, guys, still 9 days to go. But yeah, you cannot apply to join the team anymore. I'm sorry, you cannot join anymore. Because then you can always join the winning team, right? That should be very weird. So that's the reason why you cannot join anymore. Do you think Tesla car will be the next pizza? Yeah, man. We did that post on Instagram. I did a post recently, and the post was saying, a guy buys a Tesla for 2 bitcoins in 2021, and these bitcoins are right now worth 10 million. Yeah, that's funny. It's going to be the pizza all over again. If you're buying a Tesla with your bitcoins, it's going to be the pizza all over again, guys. You're going to buy a very expensive Tesla, and you have to think twice before buying it. Because imagine if you invested your, you could have bought a Tesla in, let's say 2016 or so, but if you bought Tesla stocks, instead of buying a Tesla, you were so rich. Maybe in 10 years, Arvin. Yeah, we were already talking about this one. Wait and long. Wait, please wait. Don't reach into the lungs. You can see once again, we are once again having a rejection from this level. And this is very likely that we are rejecting by this level because this is just a very critical resistance level. But yeah, we do want to be seeing this breakthrough coming in play anytime soon. But yeah, you don't want to rush, of course. You don't want to rush it. If you rush it, you're just getting wrecked. You're just getting wrecked. Pierre Lowe also tuning into the stream, and you were saying, who am I? And I know you're Pierre. Pierre is a very cool guy. Pierre is a very cool guy. So thank you for tuning in, Pierre. Big shout out. So let's see what we can do. In the coming years, if you ever make 15 plus Bitcoin, will you ever promise to donate at least 1%? Yes. If let's say if we make 15 Bitcoin with a trade, I will be donating at least one Bitcoin to the channel. Of course, Messi. Guys, you already know me. You already know me if you're familiar with the channel. I am giving away a lot of things here on the channel because I want to just give something back to you. So there will be a lot of things that you can do. A lot of things that you can do to be eligible to win it. And you know, once reaching the 30K, we're also going to give away 0.5 Ethereum. There are just huge possibilities here to win some money. If you're just starting off with crypto or you don't have a lot of capital, I just want to give something back as well. And also soon maybe some charity things I'm going to do here. So I mean, I find it very important to give some stuff as well back to you guys, because you guys are here every day to support the channel, and I want to give something back, of course. So now we have a super chat from Space Car, and you're saying, "Hey brother, what are your thoughts on Swedish-made Sorry, I will be not saying that because then I get demonetized. Are they your back, baby? I don't know. I don't know what you mean with that. I don't know what it is. So I don't know what it is, man. I'm sorry. I cannot give my opinion about it. Probably you're joking around with me. And Lakers. I don't know, man. Are they your back? No, they are not. I don't know what it is, so I cannot answer your question. If I say your thing up loud, I will be get demonetized, so I won't. What was? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Martin. I don't know what the super chat is. But thank you for support, of course. Dean Harvey, you might need to bend that one. Yeah, that is true. That is true. We might have to be careful with that one. Polkadot Plus. We just discussed Polkadot. We just discussed it a second ago. Hey, how are you doing? Fuffy, I'm doing good. I love gold. I love digital gold. I love digital gold better than normal gold. Trolled. Yeah, I got trolled, guys. Damn, I got trolled. 1080p, right? This is 1440p, right? So the quality should be good. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Rover, did you buy the SMR, the NFT? No, I did not. I did not, unfortunately. Can you check what Crypto.com is doing, of course? Crypto.com, we were witnessing this breakout of the symmetrical triangle anytime soon for Crypto.com. So hi from Australia. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, I got wrecked. I got trolled, guys. I got trolled. I feel so stupid because I got trolled. I don't want to get trolled, right? That feels so bad. But you can look at Crypto.com and you can see we have the symmetrical triangle getting formed, and we are so close to the apex. We're going to see a breakout anytime soon. And yeah, let's see what we're going to do. And yes, I'm from the Netherlands. RDN is still pumping. So let me check RDN because right now we have the time. Let me see DJ. RDN is, oh damn, this coin is literally pumping. It's blasting up to the upside. It is blasting up to, oh damn. If you look to this one early candle, you can see this is a pretty significant pump, a 15% pump in just a matter of 37 minutes. That is insane, bro. That's insane. And of course, I hope you're enjoying the gaze. And this is a thing that you can be looking at because if you look to this coin, you were forming a very critical resistance line here. You were forming a very critical resistance line that you could not break through here because you can see getting stopped out over here, getting stopped out over here, getting stopped out over here. But since you break through, guys, since you broke through, yeah, Raiden Network absolutely went sky high. You look at this candle, if you were accumulating it over here, doing a 25% in profit, and if you bought the lows there, you could have already been up with 72% in just a matter of 2 days. So, yeah, I mean, I feel very good for you, DJ. I feel very good for you. Just look at RDN. Don't even graph it. Just take a peek at it. Let's look at 5 minutes. I mean, probably 5 minutes is even more exciting. But yeah, this is absolutely mooning right now. It is mooning, of course. Minor wick getting created. But yeah, maybe this coin is just starting to pump. So on the 5 minute, it's sitting 90 in the RSI. So it is getting pretty overextended on the lower time frame. So at least some sideways action is imminent, in my opinion. But of course, this is a very low market cap altcoin, so it can just ignore it and just go sky high, of course. But let's see what it's going to do. But yeah, you're doing good. Finally breaking this critical level because we were watching RDN earlier on the channel. You were discussing this resistance line over here. We were discussing that this line was holding back the price of RDN, and right now finally breaking through it. This is just making me feel very exciting, bro. So yeah, looking forward to see where it is possibly heading towards because it can be going up way higher. So I am Elon Musk. That's not true. Hey, no, you know it. I don't post nonsense. DJ, I know you're not posting nonsense. One is blasting off. Let me check one. Let me check one. Yeah, one is still boosting up to the upside, guys. So we're one finally breaking this resist line here. And I know a lot of people are loving one on the channel. So also, I like that the strength, the momentum is also increasing a lot here on the RSI. So that's the thing that I love to see. Already taking out the previous high, so that's good for me. That's good to see. We're just having a lot of follow through, so a lot of trading going on. The volume is also increasing, and you can see decrease in volume coming in. And then finally, once it's breaking out, you're also increasing the volume. So good to see. Good to see. Important to see as well. So let's see how far one can go here. Yeah, go one. Yeah, of course, guys. I will be discussing it. People are also talking about the max. Okay, yeah, we will be giving away once reaching 1,000 likes, and yeah, let's see if we're going to reach it, because this stream probably today, not a stream like yesterday, not a stream that we were doing at 3.5 hours. This was perfectly timed, 3 hours and 30 minutes exactly. But I mean, this stream today will be probably a little bit less long because I have to do some stuff today. But of course, always pushing out content, and I will be also pushing out that video about my exit strategy anytime soon, guys, because it will be a very important video that I do want to get out as soon as possible, because I think it's very, very, very relevant. Check the Bitcoin dominance, please. Yeah, it's pushed lower. It's pushing lower for the couple days here already. You can see it is right now. It's still the downtrend, the Bitcoin dominance. Even since here you were in the downtrend, had them fake it to the upside. Of course, descending triangle getting formed. We're just still getting pushed lower. So yeah, if I extend this line over here, on, I'm right now looking at the weekly. So if you look at the daily, you can see I extended this line. And we will be coming to see a very, very significant breakout. And the thing that I do like to look at is, of course, also the total altcoin market cap. So the total altcoin market cap is still, it's looking like we were forming an ascending triangle, by the way. You can see we're moving up. We're finding support to the upside. So we're testing the same level of resistance each and every time. And we cannot break through it. We literally can't break through this level of the altcoin dominant, the altcoin market cap. So, yeah, the altcoins will probably blast off, guys, once we are breaking this gray box of resistance, because this gray box of resistance is just holding us back so long already, and I am looking to see a breakout anytime soon. I was already anticipating a breakout earlier, but we were just not showing enough strength. So once the altcoins, of course, clearing this level, once we're really seeing a daily close above this line, we can literally go sky high. We can be, of course, another Fibonacci extension level that we're having to clear, but I mean, there's not a lot of resistance after that. We will just go sky high, and of course, this previous resistance over here. Yeah, looking forward to see 835 billion. I don't know why you said that. I was some kind of a prediction or so. I will be removing that. But I mean, let's see where we're heading towards, guys. That was the prediction that I was thinking to reach by the end of April, but I think we will easily go past that. How's the dollar doing? I'm seeing a bump in a stable coin. Yeah, how's the dollar doing? It's right now currently froze. You cannot. It's frozen, so you cannot see. You cannot. It's not traded at the moment. But yeah, how is the dollar doing? And that's very important, Raymond, because the dollar is, of course, the biggest enemy for the price action of Bitcoin. The dollar, once the dollar is increasing, that is bleeding Bitcoin up. But right now, you are already seeing that Bitcoin is pumping, where the dollar index is still increasing in valuation. So what does it mean? What does it mean, you're wondering? It means that Bitcoin has loads and loads of strength right now, and the dollar index will be reversing anytime soon here, because we are meeting, once again, very critical resistance, guys. And this is not a resistance that you can just not look at or so. It's a very important resistance that we are here watching and witnessing. So what I do expect here for the price action of the dollar index is that we're probably going to see a correction coming in anytime soon. And once seeing this correction, guys, I will be looking to see Bitcoin literally going to the moon. And that is also a reason why I do think, yeah, April can be very good, because we're also going to see a correction, because it makes 0 sense. It makes 0 sense that the price of the dollar is going higher, where they're only printing more and more and more. It makes 0 sense. So in my opinion, we're going to see a huge correction, and especially because they're printing so much money. Will this be meaning that we're going to see another stealth downtrend? I mean, another stealth rejection getting formed? Even we can maybe see it bleeding so hard. There's highly a probability that we're going to see something like this. And if we're going to see the dollar index, of course, decreasing so quickly, we're going to see massive gains being made in Bitcoin. Look at the euro index. Now, of course. This is not the right one. Let me check what the euro index sign is real quickly. EXY. Sorry, I had to search it up. I was not. Let me check it real quickly. What is the euro doing? Of course, the euro is of Oh yeah, I mean, there's not a lot. There's a lot of information about it, but you can see we're just also in this stealth downtrend in the euro. The euro is also. I mean, I don't have to even draw this line because if you're just looking at this, what are you seeing? What you're having here, you're just in a downtrend, right? You're just in a downtrend, and there is nothing to say about this one. You're just in a stealth downtrend, also with the euro index. And let me draw this on a weekly real quickly. Just let me draw a clear resistance line. Because, yeah, the euro is also looking pretty bad, to be honest. If you look to this, there are multiple resist lines that you can be drawing. But yeah, you're still in a downtrend here. And especially the corona crisis is just pushing the price also lower. I mean, the euro was still increasing quite significantly where having the corona crisis. Yeah, it was having a minor dump. But yeah, we are still in a downtrend, guys. This is still very interesting. It's very interesting. I mean, the dollar is just not looking strong, in my opinion, and still increasing because I don't know why. It makes no sense because it is increasing because they're just printing more money. But it is just showing more strength compared to other fiat currencies. That is the only thing. At the immediate short term, of course, it's not. In the end of the day, it's not showing enough strength compared to other currencies. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. Wait, this is the inflation adjustment. Anyone seeing a bull flag for Bitcoin? Hey, Rover, for Bitcoin, you're seeing a bull flag. What are you talking about, bull flag? Are you talking about a bull flag here on the 4 hour? I mean, people were saying to me, look at this bull flag. I don't really see this as a bull flag, to be honest. I rather see this as a downward sloping parallel channel, and we do want to be seeing the break of the stop sign of resistance. And this resistance target, guys, this will be the last thing that will be holding us back. This is the last thing that will be holding us back before morning. So Army Lock is saying, love the streams. Can you please look at ERN? Of course. And Army Lock, thank you for supporting the channel, of course. But yeah, let's look at this. I don't really call this a bull flag. I see this more as the downward sloping parallel channel. But let me check ERN. The only unfortunate thing here is that I can only check, if I go to crypto real quickly, I can only check ERN compared to Wrapped Ether. You can see it's pretty increasing very significantly to the upside. And it is still, it is just cooling off for a second. It was going towards the 86, yeah, $70 even. 73, if I say it correctly for you, my friend. So $73, pretty insane. The volume is also very high on this one, and you want to be careful because this project just recently got launched on the beginning of March, but still, there's a lot of hype around it, and I know a lot of good viewers are are loving to see the gains being made, but you have to know, once so many people are in profit, you can also reverse the price very quickly. I mean, if I look at the chart, if you're growing exponentially in such a short period of time, you're probably going to cool off anytime soon here. So in my opinion, taking profits around to $60, it's not a bad thing here. And Shano, also thank you for your £1 donation. But yeah, ERN compared to Wrapped Ether, I don't like the comparison, but I mean, yeah, you can see it's a stealth uptrend. But what you are having here on the Wrapped Ether comparison is that you're creating, the momentum is losing, so you're moving more to the downside. You're moving lower and lower and lower, where the price action is still going higher. So you're basically losing buying strength, but the price is still going higher. So in my opinion, we're going to see a reversal anytime soon here. We're going to move to the downside because we are overextended. So please take some profits. It's never bad. It's never bad to take some profits. Let me a second. I have to get some water, right? You want to stay hydrated. Truly, if you haven't never tried it before, if you haven't not tried it before, raspberry apple, favorite water. It's very nice. It just has a slight touch of apple and raspberry, very slight touch. So it's just it tastes very cool. It tastes very well, and I love it. So, almost live for 2 hours and 10 minutes already. Let's go, guys. So, let's see. Some people are messing around. Some people are messing around. But me, yeah, Eternity Chain. It is going pretty fast to the upside. So many people are in massive profits. You want to be careful. Because people will be taking profits anytime soon here. And I know some other big YouTubers are shilling on it, and it can be so. It can be so that they're dumping it, and want to be careful. Want to be careful, guys. Want to raise awareness for these coins. Anything with Apple gets a thumbs up for this guy. I mean, I cannot say that it's not true. That's what he said. Do you think Bitcoin will wait until Monday to pump? I don't think it is certainly a possibility that it will be waiting till Monday, but it does not necessarily has to be so. Got around taking the gains and celebrating my birthday. Raymond, congratulations, my friend. Good luck with Max Verstappen today, and catch you later. No problem, Raymond. Congratulations with your birthday. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying your day here. So hopefully we're also going to make some good gains with Bitcoin still today. So let's see what we're going to do. Thanks. Possible entry targets. So possible entry point. And army log. You are not entered yet for Ethereum chain. So that is the thing that is a little bit concerning, because in my opinion, if you are willing to enter, I should not enter. I should not enter under the $30 at least. I mean, bro, if you already exposed it, you are doing a good job. But I should never buy into coins that are so overextended. I should never buy into coins that are so overextended, because I don't like to buy into coins that that are just massively going up. I want to buy the lows and don't buy the highs. So in my opinion, you should look for a new project that's probably going to give you the same returns, but it is just recently getting launched. You want to buy projects once it's sitting at the beginning stage, right? You don't want to buy at the highs, because I think I don't think it's a good buy, and I don't think truly it's not a good buy. And there is a possibility. I know it's a good project, and a lot of people are talking about it. It's a good project, but if you're really looking to buy into it, I should at least wait for $30. I do think it's likely that you can see a massive correction in this coin anytime soon here, because it's so overextended. So yeah, please be careful. Be careful. I should not look into it. I should not buy into it. But if you're already exposed, of course, you're doing a good job, because you're already probably in profits. But buying into it right now, no. That's not my plan of my strategy, at least. And that's the reason. I know a lot of YouTubers are shilling on it, and people, a lot of retailers are right now looking to the project, and they're saying, oh, I have to buy it as well. Will Bitcoin continue to rise? Yes, of course. It will be going to 80k in April. Bitcoin bumping sideways at the moment. Yeah, we're going sideways. This is. I mean, the daily close will be very important, because people are not witnessing this. You can see also, if you go to just the video, you can see Bitcoin rejection. It's no clickbaiter, so because I'm totally true here what I'm saying you. I want to raise awareness once again here, because this is a very critical level, as you can see previously as well. If you're not clearly breaking above it, you're getting rejected. So the 20-day moving average is providing, once again, resistance over here, and right now as well, resistance. So what we are having here for Bitcoin is that this is very important and very crucial times to close this daily candle above this line of the 20-day moving average. Of course, if we're consolidating under resistance and opening another day here, again, it will be still good. But it's also likely that we're just going to see a massive correction, guys. It's not out of the books. So, yeah, of course, do want to see this daily close above this line. And then you can be looking for tomorrow very good long positions, because people are thinking that they have to enter a long position right now, because they otherwise are missing out of the boat. But you can see, once you're breaking through over here, you still had another 20% move to the upside. And I think this move to the upside will be way more. If we're going to break this level, we can be seeing, let's see, another 35% move to the upside, approximately, even 40%. So, I mean, please don't rush into anything here. Wait for the confirmations before opening a position. Don't rush into anything here. But we will be looking into it, of course. We will be looking into it. I agreed. Bitcoin need to break the 20-day EMA before we have to talk bullish. And I mean, I'm already talking bullish, because I just feel in general good about the cryptocurrency space. Because the market is just looking good, and it's not showing any red signs at the moment. It's only giving me a very clean, green signals. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But I do want to see this breakthrough of this level before really flipping insanely bullish. There are multiple levels that you do want to be seeing broken for Bitcoin. Because if we're breaking just the more critical levels that I'm looking at, I will be just even giving more confirmations that I really am watching to the right scenario, and really looking to blast off to the upside, of course. So Nicholas also donating £5 here. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. You're saying daily, 3-day, and weekly are all leaning up today, aren't they? could be important on all averages. End of tax year to next week, April could be volatile. And Nicolas, that's true. It will be very volatile. It will be very volatile, and of course, it's very lovely to see volatility, right? But if you look to the 20 moving average on the weekly, it is so far behind. And of course, the 20 day on the weekly is a very lacking indicator, and it's usually providing very good support. If you're going to go below it, if you're going below the 20, weekly, the 20 EMA on the weekly, if you're going below this one, you are really in a bear market. So. Yeah, we are not even close before going below it, and it's right now sitting around 36k. And I do think it will be in the end of the day, it will be going towards the 56k before really crossing it lower, because we're just starting off. So I don't think that we are not in a bear scenario. But I mean, my bro, April will be very volatile. End of next year, etc. It will be very very volatile. So I mean, do you like volatility, right? At least I like volatility, because the reason why I like volatility is because once there is a lot of volatility, it's also providing a lot of opportunities. But guys, doesn't this look bullish? You're creating such a big wick on a weekly. Doesn't this look bullish? Dumping, pushing up. I mean, doesn't this look bullish? If we can clear, of course, the weekly candle going to close at 14 hours. But if we can clear this one into the green, we're just forming a hammer candle. And we're just going to reverse and go to the moon. Of course, we're already going to the moon, but it won't be only bullish, only more bullish. But yeah, for now, we're still fighting against this level. We're going to break it anytime soon, guys. Don't stress about it. Do you think Ethereum will be dip below the 1.1k again? No. Chris, I can already say Ethereum will never dip below the... I mean, there will be... Maybe in the bear market it can still dip below the 1.1k, to be honest. But I don't think... No, we're not going to see Ethereum dipping below the 1.1k. The lowest point Ethereum will be going towards, in my opinion, is $1,400, and I do think the bottom is already in here. This bottom is $1,300. But then, if we're already going to see another leg down getting great, what I don't think is likely, it definitely will be $1,400, and we will be not going lower than that. 1.1k is definitely out of the books. Please get it out of your mind. No, we're not going to see Ethereum sitting below that level. Volatility is opportunities. That's true. I like volatility because, guys, we are traders. And the more the market is moving, the more bigger gains we can be making, right? I like it. I like it, and it is really giving me very good opportunities. And also, I like the coming months, guys. I'm just making myself ready, thinking about the next month. Always once I'm laying in bed, etc. I'm just thinking, damn, I wish it was April already. But it is unfortunately not April yet. Will you keep us up to date on the Discord server about the trades? Yes, of course. I will be trying to keep you guys up to date on the Discord server. Because recently we did all these trades live in the stream. But I know you guys want me to update you more on the Discord. But once I am not live, I'm always trying to be as much live, of course. But once I'm not live, and once I cannot go live as well, I will be making, of course, an update in the Discord. I will be, of course, making a Discord, because you can see, right now, yesterday we just did approximately 6 hours of streaming. So yesterday there was no Discord update necessary. Also, it was weekend, etc. There was everything. What was going on in Bitcoin, we discussed it. So once seeing something, and of course I'm not live, I will keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. You can just go to market updates, always bringing you guys a market update, what I think about the market, what is a very likely scenario that we can be looking. So, I mean, the Discord server is a truly valuable community, and there are so many people over there that are helping each other out here. I mean, we're almost having 11k members over there. One of the biggest crypto communities in Discord. So, of course, we are focused on Discord, and I think Discord is a very good platform. So yeah, you should definitely sign up as well. Join the Discord server would be very cool. I see loads of new people are right now joining the Discord server, but it would be, of course, very cool. I think Discord is a very good platform that you can be using. It's just, I mean, some people, some other YouTubers are not using Discord, but I think Discord is a very good platform to use to help out the community, to build this strong community, because we are, of course, crushing the market all together, guys. We are all crushing this market all together, guys. So yeah, I mean, I love Discord, and probably a lot of you guys as well, because otherwise there wouldn't be 11k members in it. I mean, Discord is just a very nice platform to use. Forming a red candle. Be careful, guys. Yeah, we are having a red candle. We just opened a new 1 hourly candle. Congratulations for everyone who's still holding Bitcoin. Who's not panic selling. Congratulations to everyone. Because we are not doing it. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. I mean, there are always people like Peter Schiff, and I like people like Peter Schiff because, of course, he's basically doing it for fame only. Peter Schiff is only doing it for fame, and I mean, are we really going to look behind what these bears are doing? No, we're going to look to the future because that is what crypto holders are doing. We are looking to the future. We're looking what is possible, what we can be reaching, what the possible gains can be made, and of course also the massive adoption that will be starting because it's a very good store of value. So yeah, guys, you have to look to the future. Should I long right now? Please wait for the long position. I shouldn't have a long without any technicals. I'm not seeing anything clear right now. To be honest, I should stay on the sidelines till Monday. To be honest, I should stay on the sidelines at least till this daily candle closes. If you're not in a position yet. Discord is a good platform until Microsoft buys it. I mean, I have to agree with you. Let's see. Hopefully they are not going to F it up. I mean, they have to Skype up, but hopefully they're not going to screw it over. I feel so bullish for April. I can't wait. Shano, I have to agree. I can't wait. I can't wait. So, someone sent me a meme. Guys, by the way, if you have some memes as well in the Discord, you can make one. You can just go to meme. I love when you guys make memes, just crypto rover memes. And I see always some memes coming in here, and oh, wait, let me show you real quickly one. Guys, do you want to see a meme? Yeah, I think you guys want to see a meme. Look at this meme. Look at this meme. Let me get it correctly. Look at this meme. This was someone made this meme here, and you can see the text is only not that clear. Ethereum drowning, and Crypto Rovers holding up Crypto.com coin. Yeah, of course, Crypto.com coin is the best. We love Crypto.com. We love Crypto.com on the channel, and we're going to make good gains. I mean, yeah, we are holding it up. Very good joke. Very good joke. If you have some very good funny memes as well, make sure to drop them in the Discord as well. I'm always looking to them. It's very funny. 6th April is my birthday. Congratulations already, so shining. It's going to be a good birthday. Yeah, my birthday is still quite far away. Unfortunately. Bitcoin going to Mars in April. Yeah, we're definitely going to land on the moon, guys. We're going to land on the moon. And we're never going to go away from the moon. What do you think about the bubbles? I mean, are you talking about the market bubble? Because if you want to know what a bubble is, bubble, classic bubble. Classic bubble markets. Guys, the point here is I really like it. This is, oh wait, I cannot see it very quickly, but you can basically see this is a classic bubble. You can see a market is going exponentially to the upside and then it dies forever. That is a classic bubble. And I mean, also in the Netherlands, you have some programs, and they were discussing Bitcoin because they say, yeah, Bitcoin is a huge bubble. It's a huge bubble, and it's popping, and right now it's going to die over here. And they were all making these bearish videos about Bitcoin over here, and I was, I couldn't talk about it. But this is not a classic bubble. You know what a classic bubble is? It's going up, it's going down, and then it will be staying down forever. But yeah, Bitcoin is not a bubble. Do you call this a bubble? Do you call this a bubble, or do you call this exponential growth? And that is, and now they are making some new videos. Bitcoin bubble 2.0, Bitcoin bubble 2.0. I mean, the government just cannot handle the heat under their feet. They cannot handle the heat under their feet. I mean, that meme. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool, right? What's going on with Matic? Thanks. Let me check Matic for you. Let me check Matic. Let me check Matic for you. Matic, what is going on with it? You were having an upward sloping support line, guys, with the price action of Matic. So, yeah, this upward sloping support line was not holding up. Unfortunately, you have multiple touch points over here. But what you will want to see, of course, is that it is showing a lot of strength. And here you were seeing a bounce. But then, still broke to the downside. I was not looking at the chart, but it was not expecting that we're not going to hold into this line. So, pretty unfortunate that we were not holding on. But yeah, what you're having right now is maybe some kind of an descending, broadening wedge here. You can see, falling wedge here. There's a possibility that you're looking at a falling wedge right now. So yeah, looking for falling wedges, it can be a very bullish bias pattern. So let's see if we can break the top side of this resistance line. And even though, sorry, I say let's see if we can break the top side of the resistance, but we are already breaking through, guys. We're seeing the breakthrough right now playing out. So let's see what we're going to do for the price action of Bitcoin over here. I feel very exciting. Let's look into this. Eventually, there will be a Bitcoin bubble 30.0. Yeah, I mean 30.0 will be as well. My brother just added you on Discord. That's very cool. Very cool that he is also Messi. You are always sharing it with your brother. Very cool that you're sharing it with your brother. But yeah, let's see what Matic is going to do. I do think it's a high probability that we're going to move a little bit higher, even though because we're just a little bit undervalued. But yeah, Matic Network in the end of the day, I'm also exposed to Matic Network, but I do think, yeah, it's pretty overextended. You can see the huge parabolic phase is already ended, and this is always how it goes. You have a huge run-up, and in the last phase of the run-up, you go parabolic, and then you cool off, and probably the Matic Network is going to do the same. The Matic Network is going to cool off, and then it can be moving up. So it can be taking quite a while before really continue the uptrend, but you want to be careful. This is usually how these markets go. You have these pumps to the upside, and in the end, it goes parabolic, and then it goes off. It's just normal how it goes in these cryptocurrency markets. So probably you're going to go off for a second with Matic Network, and then we can be moving up to the upside once again. But guys, a thing that I do want to be doing here. It was an amazing stream, but unfortunately, I'm going to wrap up the stream here. And my reason is because I have to do some stuff here. Of course, also going to watch the F1 race today. I'm looking forward to it. He lost you, very lovely to see. And someone is saying long or short today. You should be looking for longs, not looking to short Bitcoin. I can see it's cooling off for a second, but nothing to worry about, guys. We will be, of course, looking to how the daily candle will close, of course. Just a quick wrap up here, what we are looking at. Bitcoin will be looking for the daily close on the 20-day moving average. Are we going to smash through it, or are we going to find resistance? Of course, we want to see smashing through this level, and everything can still happen today, so don't worry, don't get wrecked. Yeah, don't stress out, of course. And also, guys, we'll keep you guys later on today. I will be making more updates. Maybe, I'm not saying I'm going to do, but maybe you're going to do another stream later on today. Would be, of course, very amazing. But if you haven't subscribed already to the channel, guys, make sure to do so right now, because then you will be kept up to date about what we're going to do. Oh no, I just joined, so pretty unfortunate if you just joined into the stream. But right now, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. It is going red right now. Please don't freak out. It is Bitcoin. We're probably going to move very slow on the Sunday, so hopefully there's not a lot of volume in it. I mean, I hope to see a lot of volume, but I mean, it's probably weekend, so not a lot of volume is going to see. But tomorrow, it's Monday. Tomorrow, we are back with another live stream, same hour. Tomorrow will be a very interesting day, guys. Let's see what the CME is going to do here. Let's see what the volatility is going to do on the Monday. But guys, nevertheless, don't forget to check the socials here. Don't forget to join the Discord server. But I will see you maybe later today, but I don't think so. But then I will be seeing you back tomorrow with a new live stream. So, goodbye.